All right. We back. It's Friday. I woke up this morning. I was like, do I really got to do it? And then I thought to myself, well, I got to do it. What a move overnight. If you would have basically just gotten long at the end of day yesterday, you would be up 400 points. So NASDAQ making a move. Good morning. Patrick, I live near Yucca. Let's kick it. I'm not gay. Well, you might not be gay, but I'm gay. You might not be gay, but I'm gay. I guess we can't hang out. Oh, man. Why don't you trim your beard? You're going to be so much more handsome. I mean, I don't know, man. We're here to day trade, not to worry about what I look like. So let's focus on that. Oh man. Overnight here, you can see NASDAQ just going to the moon. We pushed up into a fair value gap there for now there on the hourly chart. So kind of push. And you can see kind of running into some resistance now. Right, running into some resistance now. So looking here right now. Maybe we pull back into this level again. Let me see. 5-minute chart. We're kind of just grinding higher. I don't know how many trades we're gonna get today, but we'll see. I don't know how many trades that we're gonna actually get. The stock market's not open today. Happy 4th of July for everybody in the USA. 250 years, baby. 250 fucking years. That's what I'm talking about. The biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest, the largest, the biggest, the biggest, the loudest, the loudest, the biggest, the biggest, the loudest. Look at that. Even Denny shows up for the morning. Damn, man. Even Denny shows up on his day off. Denny. The beard works. Hair is crazy, though. I mean, honestly, though, like, it's kind of a vibe, I think. Like, it's, you know, it's just kind of like, it's PW, man. Like, I can't just have, like, a normal haircut, you know what I mean? Like, it'd be weird. Be weird for me just to have a normal haircut. You know? Right? This is the kind of haircut you have if you don't have a job, basically. We try the longs. Back above 900 to try to push through this double top area. Let's try that. We'll go stop right here. Entertainment purposes. You can do what you want. You're self-made. Hell yeah, brother. You look like Chuck Liddell. Chuck Liddell looks like me. Oh, man. Feels like NQ wants 30,000 again. Does seem like that, huh? We've got 30,000 to the upside there, obviously. If you look at the NASDAQ right now. I don't know, it's kind of... God, why did... I don't know. That might not be the play there. Oh my God, right back up. It looks like Terry Crews. Yeah, buddy, that's me. With the big muscles. The big muscles. Does the market close at 12 today? I believe so. 1 o'clock Eastern, maybe. 12 o'clock Central. PW, I thought you were on holiday. Well, you know, we're back. Well, maybe we're not. We never went on holiday. We always here. What up, PW? What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. We're kind of just hanging out today. The market's closed, but it's the day. It's like the day before New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. I'm sorry, the day before New Year's Eve. It's the day before New Year's Eve. It's 4th of July here. What up? What up? If we make $100 here, I might just jump out. You know what I mean? What do you think? 10 points, jump out. There we go. 10. Oh, she's still pumping. 9:15s now. Look at that, straight up. It's almost like the whole entire chat's buying along right now. You guys are everyone's pumping the market higher. PW, I have a 25K account. Is it the equities account with Warbucks? Equities account with Warbucks? Astro said, no other live streams. I'm forced to watch this. Oh, man. How you gonna do me like that? How you gonna do me like that, man? By the way, we just had a winning trade there. That's 10 points. There it is. There it is. There it is. So let me get some W's in the chat. I want W's in the chat. I want more likes on the stream right now, people. We need more likes. We got 145 likes. Denny said, this is the biggest and the best. So you're at a great show. Aw, thanks, Denny. Denny. Right now, Tradify, 40% off. 5-pack bundle. Get the deals. Get the deals. PW, can I buy one of the Warbucks Mexico shirts? We don't have any place to sell them. That's the problem. We're not really like a apparel company. Yeah, you see last night somebody was streaming. Denny's stream. Yeah, I saw that. When does the market close today? The market closes at 1 o'clock Eastern. Man, that move yesterday, this is just proof, right? Yesterday is perfect proof that at the end of the day, the market can always go lower, right? There's never a day where the market has to bounce, where it has to do anything. You can see yesterday that high 266 level all the way down there to almost 1,000 points. And you can see on the hourly chart, it was nothing but sell. It was kind of funky price action though. If you look at like the 5-minute chart, there's a lot of like the 5-minute candles were overlapping a lot, right? It wasn't like you didn't have like a bear flag and then just like straight down. It was a lot of like it kind of like ding 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 ding, like they didn't make it easy, to be honest. It was a lot of this, right? You know what I mean? Does that make sense? It was a lot of this, like it did go lower, but it wasn't clean. I mean, if you're trading the 5-minute chart, I mean, you maybe trading where you're saying like, let's say if you're, I don't know, if you're shorting on the 5-minute chart, your stop is like right here and you're kind of trailing the highs, and then trying to get out maybe. But it just wasn't clean. In hindsight, it looks really, kind of obviously easy, but kind of funky. I had a lot of trades where I got stopped out, break even, like just because of this, like the retracements. Like if you're short here, it moves down to here, you move your stop break even, well then you get stopped out. And then the bear flag hits again. So, woo! What a time to be alive. We were stuck below the 14 EMA pretty much all day yesterday there on the 5-minute charts. So it's funny because, you know, in hindsight, looking at it, you're like, oh, you could have just gotten short at the 14 EMA and just held it till the bottom, right? And obviously it's always easier in hindsight to say that. So we'll see what happens. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of holding up. Kind of looking like a bull flag here again. I might try another long here. There's not really a market open today, so. No market open today, so we'll see what happens at this 9:30 candle. Normally you get some kind of volume picks up around 9:30 even when the market's closed, just because the algorithms. I'm trying this long here. See if we can't like go up into this level next, if we're just gonna keep grinding higher. DJ Peppy Queen says that he thinks there's gonna be some moves. All right. I like it. I need some moves. Give me some moves. PW, can you explain what an algorithm is? It's the AI, man. The fucking AI taking over. We got 4 minutes here till 9:30 officially, but just kind of sitting back, waiting and watching. Well, we do have one long on here. Had a little pop. We popped through those highs. We pulled back, so I'm long here, kind of looking for a similar move. This chart right now just kind of grinding higher. Both the ES and the NASDAQ. The ES is kind of different looking because you got a bigger high on the ES this morning around the 560 area, but see if we make a little bit of money. A little bit of money here on the NASDAQ. PW, what's the name of the playlist? It's just Spectre Mode. Look up Spectre Mode on YouTube. Looking for a little puppy pump. I might take another $100 bill here. Let me see. If we get 920s, I'll take it there. Another $100 bill. Why not? Put $200 on the board, baby. Put $200 on the board. Put $200 on the board. The market's open? No. Well, futures are open today. Stock market's not open. PW, would you live in Hawaii? I lived in Hawaii. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I used to live in Hawaii, actually. Are you trading micros? Yes, this is micros. Just trying to make a little bit of money here on a holiday before the 250-year celebration tomorrow. Hey man, Denny Dallas did great last night. Denny Does Dallas did great last night? What? Denny does Dallas? What's that mean? He went to Dallas? He's in Dallas? PW Lucid Live, can you explain how it works? No, I can't. I don't. Do I look like the fucking Lucid Live Q&A person? Hello, my name's Patrick. I'll be here to answer all your questions about Lucid Live. That's right, that's right. Okay, boom. It was funny last night, Danny, he blew some new Apex accounts. Oh, Danny, we gotta talk, buddy. You can't be blowing accounts, Danny. No, it happens. We've all been there. I think people sometimes put this pressure on streamers that we're not allowed to like blow accounts. But I mean, the majority of viewers are blowing accounts all day. Oh my God, chat, there's the pump. Wow, come on. Are you kidding me? Can I get some W's in the chat? Where are the W's at? We just had another winning trade. That's 2 winning trades in a row here. That's 2 winning trades in a row here, by the way. Look, it's still pumping. Come on. It's still pumping, by the way. The fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? All right, well, that's 2 winning trades in a row. You know, y'all get mad if I lose, so y'all better be happy. Hey, y'all better be happy because that's 2 winning trades. Fawn John, he said that he got short at 920. Ooh, Fawn John. Ooh. Oh, or you were long and then you sold. Okay, that happens. That happens. Hindsight's 2020, but markets love to churn up into the holidays. Yeah. Makes sense. Right now, NASDAQ pumping. Man, I don't know what to do now. That was the move, huh? To go chasing this thing now? Are we going to 30,000s here? It would be a bit of a chase here, wouldn't it? Getting long right now, but she's still pumping. Fuck. There's another 10 points. God damn it. God damn it. You live and you learn. Our first entry of the day here was at 900. We took a 10-point pop. We got long at 908. Took a 10-point pop up there to the 920. So, I mean, now I guess just got to wait for, you know, the pullback into that EMA again. Would be ideal, right? Doesn't always happen that way, but we'll see. If you guys have not checked out the Tradeify deal right now, we got Tradeify popping off. We got the deals out the gazoo. Got the deals out the gazoo right now. You can buy, well, that's my, I gotta log in now. These deals right now that are going on with, look at that, up there to the 50s now. So the 50K account, the growth, I like the growth accounts, the 50K growth account with the bonus right now, with the 40% off deal. The price is too good to be true, right? It's too good to be true. It's too good to be true. The price is $412 with the code PW. All right, I can't use my code in my account, but you can see it's $412. Buy 5 accounts, save an extra $37. You get the bonus, or the bonus from the thingamajiggy. So you get 5 accounts. I'm not sure how long this is. I think it might be for the whole month of July. You get 5 uses. So that's the deal right now. NASDAQ's still pumping, man. Still pumping up there to the 950s now. No good pullback here yet. We're up to almost $200 right now. Why do I like the growth account? I like the growth account because you can pass the growth account in just one day, right? It's kind of nice. Like I passed some growth accounts yesterday, and now I have them just sitting there. So I can activate these whenever they're ready to go. Basically, you can see these are the evals, and then I've got 5 of the growth accounts here, so that's why I like it. And then yeah, Apex has the deal going on right now. 250k accounts going on. I think they're what, like $17 for a 250k account. Should we go buy an Apex account and then try to pass it live? Oh man. Uh-oh, we got some, we need to help out Digma. We got Digima. How do you say that? Digima. Most future prop firms are banned in his country. He needs a woman to marry him to give him a passport. Is there anybody in the chat willing to help Digima? Anybody willing to help Digima? Anybody? Can we help out Digima? Who's up? Who can help out Digima? Digima, are you ugly? Are you rich? What do you have to offer? What do you have to offer for the ladies of the chat? Would you be satisfied with a stud? Digima. Digima, would you be happy with a stud? Would a stud be okay for you? We can get you a stud. Digima, do you want a stud? This is a dating show now. We're not gonna trade anymore. It's gonna be a dating show, and we're gonna work on finding Digima a passport. Digima, you gotta sell yourself here, man. You're not really selling yourself right now. What do you have to offer for the ladies of the chat? You want a passport, but what are you gonna give them? You know, what are you gonna give him? It's a courtship. Tell me how many goats do you got? You got anything good? Do you have anything at all to offer, Digima? Ginger might be looking for a Digima. We could maybe set up a marriage between you and Ginger. I'll broker the deal. I want 20 goats though. He said he can trade futures and make money, lot of money. Oh man. He's not ever made any money, but he can do it, okay? Don't worry. He's got you. He'll help you out. 20 goats for Ginger, okay? That's what I want. Obviously, I'm not her father or have any power, but you know, I'm just saying, if I could get 20 goats, I'll take 20 goats. I'd be down for 20 goats. I told Victoria I wanted to buy a goat, and she's like, "What are you talking about?" I said, "I want to get a goat. Why can I not have we need a goat, right? Don't you guys agree? Doesn't the BDH need a goat? We need a BDH goat. 21 goats. Look at that. Chef Trade's he's gonna pay 21 goats to be my wife. To eat? No, not to eat. What the fuck? No, I want to play with the goat. You guys want to eat the goat? We got people in the chat asking if they're gonna eat the goat. God damn it! We're not eating the goat. We're not eating the goat. Nobody's eating the fucking goat, man. God damn it, man. Fucking savages. Goddamn fucking savages in the chat. This guy, man, I wanna eat the goat. No, we're not eating the fucking goat. We're playing with the goats. Look at these little things. Come on. Dude. If only they would stay that big forever, you know? Look at all those kids. Look at all those kids. That's what you call a baby goat, a kid, okay? Dude. Curry goat so good. Oh my, don't say that. We're watching a video of the puppies. Man. The fucking chat's trying to eat my goats. Oh man. Someone in the chat, guys, hold on a second. We gotta pull this up. This guy said, bro, it's a bank holiday. Are you this desperate for views? Well, I'm not desperate for views, but you know, I'll take them. We got 3,000 views right now, so I mean, the market's not even open. We're watching videos of goats. So I mean, I guess I'm pretty desperate, but look at them cute little goats. Look at them cute little goats. That's a cute little goat. I mean, the funny thing is, I mean, you know what the funny thing is with that comment? I mean, it's a bank holiday, and guess what, you fucking retard? You're here on this channel watching. What a joke. Hey, you idiot. Hey, you fucking idiot. You're here. Oh, man, he got me good, guys. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh, he got me good. He got me good. That motherfucker. He got me, boys. He fucking got me. Are we trying to maybe try a long here? We gotta get back above that EMA though. First 15-minute candle right now. We got the 15-minute opening range here. The low is 900 area. I'm tempted to get long, but I want to get back above that EMA first. We're right there, man. We're so close. So close for this long. I mean, it might... Little pullback here. If we get a little pullback, like a little wick down, and then we bounce back up, I'm gonna jump in long. Let me see if we get a little wick down first, though. Give me a little wick down first, Nasdaq. Don't just pump up. Don't do it. Give me a little wick down. Wick down, please. Wick down. No wick. No wick down yet. Come on, we need a wick down. Wick down, wick down, wick down. Look how tight it is right there. 920s. I need a wick down. Yes, that's a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart right now pulled up. So let's see. We need a wick back up, and then we're looking for a long, possibly. Okay, we're getting a wick. We're getting a wick. We got 20 seconds here on this 1 minute candle. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. How's she gonna close? Don't get long. It's a bait. Oh my God. Well, I'm getting caught. The bait is working. Why the wick, PW? Well, think about it like this, right? If this is gonna go higher, it's gonna wick down first and then pop, right? Like that's kind of what you want to see happen. But you can see we kind of did not get that wick push. So that's what I was looking for. I wanted to basically see it pull back first and then push right back up. See how like this right here kind of did that, where you kind of pull back and then it closes, kind of pushing back up. That's telling me that there's some buyers kind of buying there off that EMA. So there's that. Okay, we're long. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. 10 points. 10 points, chat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, what happened, chat? I thought you said it was a short. You fucking idiots. I'm just kidding. There you go. Nice little push. That was exactly what we were looking for, chat. Exactly what we were looking for, man. We are, by the way, we're up 30 points. Right? 30 points here. And like I said, this is okay, let's break it down one more time, right? Just so you guys can understand if you don't understand what we're looking for. So you see how we pushed up into that EMA and it's like, okay, ding, 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 we're getting stuck. Well, what we really want to see is like a wick to pull back. So basically when the candle opens, you want the candle to open, kind of pull back, and then you think you got a minute of price action there, right? So that minute of price action, the more that it kind of pulls back and then squeezes straight back up, the better, right? Because that's telling you that it's time to party. We want to see those wicks and get that push. Hey, look, that's what we're getting right now. This could be some more continuation here, honestly. Bigger time frame right now. 5 minute chart. We're holding the 15-minute opening range. I mean, there's not really technically an open today, but If we can kind of get that same setup again, another wick down, I might try another long here. We just got a new 1 minute candle to open. See how that's pulling back right now. That you want that candle to open and look bearish, right? Like right now, this is a red candle. So you still got a minute of price action. We want to see that pull back. See how it's pulling back? It's bouncing right now, putting that wick in. Well, that's what you want to see happen, right? The EMA on the chart right now, that's a 9 EMA here on the 1 minute chart. So let's see, we got 30 seconds here on this 1 minute candle. We got 30 seconds on the 1 minute candle. Let's see, 930s, 930s, 930s. Not really getting much of a reaction back up here yet, so staying out of it for now. Oh, there's our entry, right? We just got that pop straight up here again. We'll go for another 10 points. Keep it easy, keep it sweet. Keep it easy, keep it sweet. Almost got filled there. Almost. Oh my lord. Doo-doo. 5 minute candle just opened. We did just pop up, so. Breezy said, I think fade Pat is good here. What? You're gonna fade me, Breezy? Do it, you fucking pussy. God, fade me. Do it right now, short. Go short, Breezy. Do it. Fade me. Do it. Do it, pussy. Do it, you pussy. What am I drinking? I don't know, some energy drink thing. Digma's looking for goats. Where are the goats at, Digma? We're holding up at that EMA again, so we should be good until, well, we start closing below it, so. PW, you taking bigger sizings when ranges get tighter? Sometimes. Why am I trading micros? Like I've said before, no real reason other than I just want to do it. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch. I don't really care. I don't know. Everybody's always so worried about what am I doing? What am I doing? Nobody here is telling you that you have to trade micros. We're just trading micros. I truly don't understand the obsession with people trying to figure out why. Yeah. I think right now it's a good market to trade micros in. So that's why. I really, yeah, I don't know. Right now, 29,930. We pushed up to a high so far of 955. We are long. It's kind of pulling back here for now. Uh-oh. Oh. Pulling back here. Breezy said short. God damn it. The chat faded me. I'm gonna try to buy this dip here. 5 minute chart, we're pulling back into that EMA, but the trend has just been up all night long. Did we really get long at the top here? I don't know. How do you stay calm when losing money? I just, I don't really know how I do it, to be honest. I just don't think about it. I don't think about it really. That's the best way to do it. Don't think about it. Do you, D-Money, and Donnie have similar trading strategies, or you have to just be profitable? What? I don't know what that means. Pat, have you dabbled into the 250K accounts? Yes, guys, I've had 250K Apex accounts before. I don't have any right now, but I've had them. Correct. Option Coach John said, lower highs, be careful. All right, well, maybe. Everybody always wants to come in here and try to like call out trades the opposite of what I think is going to happen, because they think that they're going to like impress the world by saying, hey guys, look, it's a short. Patrick's long. It's a short. Oh my God. Why are you guys long? It's a short. Hey, that's great. I do enjoy it. I mean, I guess it would be like if you could watch NBA and the whole time during the NBA game, you're calling out saying, oh, it's a 3-pointer. Shoot a 3-pointer. Shoot a 2-pointer. Shoot a 1-pointer. It's kind of like that. Stuck here now, kind of below this EMA, not ideal, but maybe we pull back into that 900 area again before continuing higher. Let's see. ES, a little bit more pullback on the ES here, to be honest. Uh-oh. I think we're going to be okay, though. We just need to get a bounce here. Give me a bounce, give me a bounce, bounce, bounce. Let me paraphrase. Why did you choose D-Money or Denny? I would tell you, but I would have to kill you because that's my secret. Let's just say that they're really good at kissing. The chat's cooked. They're like, what? You kissing? What are you talking about? No, I mean, for me, it was not D-Money. We trade similar. I think we trade similar. It had nothing to do with the trading strategy as much as it did with the personality, right? At the end of the day, being a live streamer, like you can be the best trader in the world, but you can also be the worst live streamer. So you've got to kind of find somebody who can day trade and somebody who can be a personality, someone who can, carry the show. So it's not just being a streamer is not just based on your day trading abilities, because obviously look at me, right? Like I'm not the best day trader ever, but I get the most views. It's kind of funny in that sense, I guess. All right, kind of just chopping around here now. It's a holiday, bank holiday. Welcome to the chop. Got to see what happens here. D-Bunny says, to be honest, way too much. Yeah, I don't mean... You guys watch them a lot more than I do. Lackluster Media said he comes to see the haircuts. Well, hey, we trying. This is the 9 EMA right now on the chart. 9 EMA on the chart right now. She's getting tight here either way. Getting tight either way now. Something will happen here. Something will happen. Yeah, this is the 1 minute chart. Pulling back here again, 5 minute chart. You got stuck there for now, so just kind of pulling back more. Uh-oh. Five-minute candles are holding up there at that EMA, right? They're holding up there at that EMA for now. You got to see if they're going to get a bounce here again. Hourly chart right now, we've just been kind of grinding higher. You can see all night long, we have been kind of wicking up, pulling back, wicking up, pulling back, wicking up, pulling back. That 30,000 area to the upside here. Can we get there today? You know, I don't know. Will the top wicks push it down? Possibly. 5 minute chart right now, getting very tight here. Right? It's getting tight. So I'd say if they get it back above the 930s, we could start to push towards 970s there next. So it's $1 million question. Got that EMA there on the 5 minute chart. Basically for the bulls, you just want to stay above 900 now, I would say, right? Ideally, stay above 900 here. Little 5 minute candle opening up here. You got a minute. Well, you just got a minute of action there. You're 4 minutes. So you got 4 minutes left on that 5 minute candle. 15 minute candle, still kind of looking indecisive as well. Back up there into the 20s again. I like it. I like it. It's pushing again here. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room, see if we can get above the 30s good, and then start pushing back up into the 50s. Where is the ICT concepts at, asshole? I mean, right now, I don't see any fair value gaps, sir, so we're having a little bit of trouble right now. We need more fair value gaps here. 2 minute chart, you can see that wedge right now. We got the wedge going on. Opening high is 955, so you can see how tight it's getting right now. We're inside a fair value gap right here, or we're I don't know if we're inside it or we went below it, but we're at a fair value gap right now. PW, when you pass your growth Tradify accounts, can you leave them unactivated? I believe so. I don't know for sure, but I mean, I think so. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to. Market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12:30, or maybe 12:30, or what was it? I think it was 1, right? All right, let's see if we can push. If we can push like up into this 40 level, I'll take some profit there and then let the last 2 contracts ride per account. We're trading micros right now. We got these are actually Lucid accounts that we're trading. Shout out to Lucid right now. All right, we're starting to push, right? We're getting back above this 930 level. We got to get this momentum coming in here. You got the ES just kind of popped up, but you got to get it going. Another wick down is not what we want for the bulls here. 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Central is closure today. Up there into the 30s now. Can we get pushing though? Pushing. Just kind of slow grind back up here now. Slow grinder. We got a slow grinder. Oh, buddy, there we go. There we go, boys. Come on, pump it right up there, NASDAQ. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Oh, my Lord. She got so close. Hey, by the way, I want W's in the chat. I want some W's in the chat. This is a printing trade right now. Printing. Like I said, back above 930s there. We're getting the push. Can we get continuation to the 950, 960s there next? Come on, baby. Print with me, chat. Let me go WWWs. Winning. You can't spell winning without Wieland. You know what I mean? You can't spell winning without Wieland. Remember that, chat. Remember that. Big brain, baby, big brain. You pass a 250K Apex account in this price action? Holy fuck, man. What'd you do? Just get long with 100 contracts? That guy's, he just traded 100 contracts long. There we go. Look at that. We're printing, boys. We're printing. Any fucking, let's go. Yeah, I don't have any relationship to Scott Wieland or the singer. It would have been cool if I did, but I don't. Little pullback there, right back to the 930s again. It happens sometimes. Getting a little bit of volatility here. We need some volatility to get the market moving. All right, 5-minute chart. We did break out there, right? We had that little wedge. I think, just kind of looking at this, you're like, that's kind of 970, 960s possibly. 30,000, is up there. Can we get all the way to the 30,000s today? You never know. Still got a lot of time. We got about, 3 hours until market closes, so. When it's crazy, it's crazy. There's the liquidity, man. The sell side liquidity. Look at this fair value gap up here, chat. Look at this fair value gap right there. It's huge. It wants to get touched. It just wants to. Little pullback here again. Oh man, we were up about 40 points there for a minute. Let's see what happens here now. Trouble here at the highs again, pulling back. Did you get any fireworks? No fireworks. Trouble here. Beast mode. He's been long since 29,780, looking for 30,000. Let's go. 30,000. All right, little 15-minute candle kind of pulling back here. 5-minute chart pulling back here. We got that EMA that we've been riding, so we want to obviously kind of keep that price action above this. Kind of like we want to see respect, kind of like 915s at the worst, at the lowest. Option coach John said he has 3 hours to get to 840. Maybe. Maybe, Coach John. I've seen you be wrong before, but we'll see what happens. You never know. $930s again, getting respected there. If we pop above like this area here, if we get back above 936s, I'll look to add to this trade. Like like back above 935, I'm gonna add and see if we can't sell for the push to the 950s. $13 green hour candles must turn around at some point. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, there's that little push. I'm gonna try to add right there, I guess. And see if we can't get straight up here now. Good ad right there, right? Mm-hmm. That's not ideal. Not ideal there for now. Oh, God. It's kind of rolling over here a little bit right now. Let's see if we can respect any of this. Like 915 area, kind of want to see a bounce here. 5-minute chart, just big chop in here. Big chop in here. Big chopping. Big chopping. All right, there's that retest of the EMA again on the 5-minute chart. Do we hold this level now? Obviously, if we can't hold it, maybe pull back to the 850s or more from earlier. All this like price action down there. Maybe. Yeah, just low volume right now. Market dipping down here. 920s again, so let's see what happens. We're still inside the 15-minute range there, so as of right now, it's still just a lot of chop. A lot of chop for now. Will we hold this 920 level? Do we hold the 920s here? Do you use Delta at any point of your trading? No, I've never used Delta. Never at all, ever. Like, ever. Yeah, that's the LuxAlgo opening range indicator that I use, orb and targets. I'm still long. I'm long as long as we stay above 900s here. If we get below 900, I'm out, but I'm still long here. If we lose 900s, I might jump out, but I think right now, just kind of let this chop around. See what happens. Maybe we take out 900s and then push right back up. I don't know. I don't love it though. I don't get how people like you, ... buying right now. What does that mean? People don't like me because I'm buying? Because I put a trade on, people don't like me? I mean, being long, being short, I mean, it's the same. It doesn't make you any different. I'm less of a person because I'm buying right now. How can anybody ever like me? Why would anybody ever like me? I'm a terrible person, people. I'm buying right now. I'm terrible. Why would anybody like me? It's rejecting. I don't get how you're buying is what I'm saying. I mean, it's rejecting. It's just chopping. So, I mean, hate me if you want. I don't know. What do you want me to do? The market has been going up all night long. It's pulling back right now. I get it. I know everybody in the chat's a fucking genius. And then everyone's going to tell me they told me it was a short. Patrick, I told you it was a short. I told you it was a short, Patrick. I told you, Patrick. You should have shorted, Patrick. Why'd you not short it? Why'd you not short it, Patrick? I mean, obviously, in hindsight, yeah, it's great. Yeah, I should have shorted it. Obviously, not really much we can do about it now. We're in the trade. I don't know why people think it's like... I love that people come here and they, like, I have one losing trade or whatever, and it's like, it's the end of the fucking world. Oh my God, he got long. Wow, he's a terrible person. He deserves to go to hell. Put him up, fucking kill that guy. It's crazy. People are crazy. Crazy people. All right, well, there we go. Right back down 900s. Clearly, it was a short. I was wrong. What do you want me to say? I should have shorted that high. I don't know. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. It sucks to lose. Trust me. I think people, I don't know. Crazy. All right, well, fuck me. That 15-minute candle gave it all back down to the 900s, so it is what it is. The blue line right now, 900 area. Hourly chart, still just kind of inside that last hourly candle. We are pulling back here, obviously. I know. Everyone's telling me, Patrick, we're pulling back. Yeah, no, I fucking know. PW, can I give you some sauce? Mr. Dizzy, look up TPO and market volume profile. Patrick, you just need the market volume profile. Patrick, why do you not have the market volume profile? Patrick, it's so simple. Like, God. It's crazy. Crazy. People are crazy. Patrick, why do you not have the market volume profile? Everybody knows it's the market volume profile that makes the money. Everybody knows, Patrick. You would have known exactly where to get short at if you would have just had the market volume profile pulled up. Everybody knows that. It's too simple. It's too simple, Patrick. It's so simple. It's so simple. All right, well, down there are the 900s. Obviously, it was a short. I apologize. I'm sorry, everybody who's mad at me. I'm an idiot. What do you want me to tell you? Obviously, I should have gotten short at the fucking top. Why did I get long? What a terrible idea that was. Down there to the 900s now. Through the 900s, so we'll see what happens here next. We just chop around. Maybe. Now holding up there at the 900s, you gotta love it. It goes up, it goes down, it goes all around. It's gonna squeeze all the way back up now, maybe. Wouldn't that be funny? Right out the 900s now, back up. You gotta love it sometimes. Holding up there at the 900s for now. Will we hold the bottom of the 15-minute range? Get a whole push back up. Rumo said he's long at 901, expecting a sharp pullback. Let's go, Rumo. Pump it, baby boy. Hey, I said as long as we hold the 900s, we're good. But I mean, I guess nobody sees. No one listens to me. No one fucking listens to me, chat. I'm an idiot here, clearly. I'm a fucking idiot, clearly. I'm a goddamn fucking idiot. God motherfucking Patrick. Why don't you have the TPO chart pull it up? Pull up the TPO fucking chart, Patrick. Everybody knows it's TPO. ES just popped straight up. NASDAQ just popped straight up there. Interesting. Will they go higher now? $1 million question. Everybody wants to know. What's the TPO chart saying now? We need more TPO in this. I need more TP, more toilet paper. I'm about to poop my pants. We got the fair value gap here, boys. 910 fair value gap, push to the highs. Oh, right back down again. You gotta love it. 900s again. Man. Yeah, the market got denied there at the 920s, right back down again. Not looking too hot. I don't like that for the bulls, but You know how they do it sometimes. They just fucking go crazy here. There's not a lot of volume. Obviously, it's a market holiday today, so don't expect good moves on a market holiday. Choppy price action here. You would think that last candle would maybe start the sell-off here again, but it might chop right back up. So if we lose that 900s, I think definitely going downtown, right? If it's gonna sell through 900 now, possibly. Chopping around here at 900s for now. All right, we're losing 900s there, obviously. Can we move back to the 850s next? Five-minute candle reaches below 900, shoots right back up. Welcome to the chop. It goes up, it goes down. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to really do anything there. Straight back up again. Good day to sit back and just enjoy the comedy. ES is like pumping back up here now. See, the ES did not make a new low right there, or it didn't make a low. So, interested to see how the NASDAQ will play this. Right back up to the 930s again. Trapping those bears down there. They're trapping, that's for sure. Trap or die. Can we get a break of this trend line now? If we get back above 930s, I think the longs could come in again, but they're just going to chop it around down here for a minute. Trap or die. Trap or die. 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. If we look at the hourly chart, it kind of did exactly what we, talked about. Problem is we'd have to get all the way back above 940 for this hourly candle to turn green. Is it possible? I mean, 30 minutes, it's possible. I'd say basically back above 930. The bulls might start pushing again. The ES is looking a lot stronger than the NASDAQ right now. Look at the ES to the middle of the 15-minute range. The opening range high up there on the ES possible. NASDAQ just holding up there at the lows for now. The 15-minute range. This is where we got stuck at earlier. There's no wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle right now, so they get stuck here, pull back again. Market loves to do some funky stuff on a holiday. I love doing that funky stuff on a holiday. The high of this 5-minute candle is 925. You got the 15-minute range right there. So I think basically if we can get back above that, then it's, I don't know why my line's getting so funky there, but that would be the push. Right now, shorts are still in control, I would say, as long as this stays below the 15-minute range. But the fact that the ES kind of pushed like it did might get the NASDAQ going. I don't know. It's a gamble. It's definitely a gamble right here. But you would think that this is going to be the wick, and this is going to pull back here, possibly. Possibly. See that 5-minute candle now turning red, pulling back down. Do. Chopping. Back to the 900s again. We got Monkey Trader says that he's long here, stop loss 900, take profit high of day. It's not a bad idea. Problem is, will they hold 900s here? Looks like it might try to trap below 900s again. Still holding there, but There's that 900 test. Took out everyone's stop at 900 and popped it right back up. Well, NASDAQ just chopping. Is this how the market moved in the 1900s? Oh yeah, buddy. I do remember, I mean, even like maybe like before COVID. I remember during COVID, this is how the market moved even during market hours. Like it would literally, like, you would be lucky to get a 10-point move, back in the day. No, before COVID, the market, like, you would get like very small moves in the market. That's why a lot of people did not trade futures back in the day, because the market did not move, right? You didn't get like massive moves in the market every day. It was a lot of just like 10 points up, 10 points down, 10 points up, 10 points down. Just a lot of grinding. Someone said, I'm sure it was easier to, was it? Some people like the smaller ranges, I guess. What time does the market close today? Market closes at 12:30, or I think 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock Eastern. 1 o'clock Eastern, 12 o'clock Central. Right now, the NASDAQ is holding up here, 29,900s. For now, it just stuck here, so got to see what it's going to do. Tim Murray said, I don't think it was easier then. Yeah, I mean, the problem was there wasn't a lot of volatility. So it was hard, like, you had to you didn't get a lot of setups. It was a lot of just like chop. Kind of like this is, where you're just kind of sitting here waiting for a move to happen. Right? I mean, ES is kind of bull flagging here at the middle of the 15-minute range. I think if the ES starts to break out through the 56s and then tries to push up to this level, well, then the NASDAQ should go. It's trying. It's just holding there at the 900s. It could, obviously it can go either way right now. Market's not open. There's not a lot of volume here, so just kind of figuring out which way the computer wants to close this market out today. Where does the computer want this market to close today? We must talk to the computer. Mr. Computer, please tell me where the market's going to go. Call the robots, call the AI, call the algorithms. We got to call somebody. Somebody call somebody. Somebody call somebody. We got to call somebody. Can we get somebody to call? Can we get a phone call here? Somebody call somebody. Yeah, somebody ask the algorithm. Somebody call ICT real quickly. Which way is the algorithm going to go? The problem is we're in a big fair value gap right here, man. We got the fucking fair value gap. God damn it. All right, another 5-minute candle trying to retest. Like I said, I think basically if we can get above this line right here, this double kind of top resistance area there on the 5-minute chart, we should try to push. But until that happens, it's just pinging down there. So ES is getting very tight at the middle of the 15-minute range. NASDAQ is kind of holding up here at the bottom of the 15-minute range. They're not sure which way this is going to go. Oh my God, 900's holding up for dear life. Dear life. All right, there's that ES is trying to push, but getting stuck right there. So look how the ES is tapping in the middle of the 15-minute range. NASDAQ's obviously at the bottom of the 15-minute range. So if the ES starts to push up, we'll see if the NASDAQ will follow back up here. Infamous guy says, if we break 896s, we're going to go lower. I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. That's for sure. If we break 96s, we definitely might go longer. It's America's birthday this weekend, chat. We got to pump this market, some fireworks. The ES is breaking out here, or starting to push. Will the NASDAQ follow now? ES put a higher low, higher lows. NASDAQ put in lower highs, lower highs. They're not correlating right now. Not correlating right now. We need some more we need more better correlation here, chat. We need some better correlation here. Can we get some correlation on the chart? H Monkey said, look left. They're stair-stepping shorts to trigger the stop loss to go long. Ooh. Okay, I'm looking to the left. Let me look. Oh yeah, it makes sense, makes sense. Right now, NASDAQ is holding up here at 29,900. I think we might be in trouble for the bulls again. This last 5-minute candle low was 899.75. So let's see what happens. Patrick, they're printing a Reaper fair value gap. What the fuck's a Reaper fair value gap? What does that mean? What's a Reaper fair value gap? Well, the ES is pushing back up. NASDAQ's just stuck here. We're not getting that reaction. I thought if we started to push on the ES, we'd get more reaction on the NASDAQ, but NASDAQ's actually pulling back here again, so L7 Trader, share us the legendary secret. We want to be rich. Fuck, I don't know, man. Buy low, sell high. That's my only secret I got. I got no other secrets. Got 30 seconds here on this 5-minute candle. Still chop city here for now. I love the people in the chat. There's like, it could channel in this area for the day. I mean, it could. I mean, hey guys, it could bounce at 900. Hey guys, it could get stuck at 910. Hey guys, you know, it could just go, yeah, well, no shit. I love when people just say, it could. Yeah, well, fuck. Hey guys, it could go to 30,000. Hey guys, it could go to fucking 29,860. Hey, it could go. Hey, it could go down. It could go up. It could. Like, whoa, no fucking shit. God. Just hey, everybody, just fucking type in the chat what it could do. Everybody, just keep talking about what it could do. Okay, we'll just be sitting here watching it. The ES is pumping again. ES back up 557s, 559s. So I think if the ES pumps, the Nasdaq's gonna pump. It could blow up your account. It may be up, maybe down. Damn it! This chat is too smart. You guys are too smart, chat. It could go up, it could go down. You're not wrong. You could fall on your dildo and have to go to the emergency room. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Big dog, what are you talking about? You're gonna fall on your dildo and then have to go to the emergency room? Sir, what? We gotta talk. What are you talking about? What are you talking? We are not talking about that. That was not what we were talking about. We were talking about the market, sir. We were not talking about no dildos. That's a little weird, man. This guy, he said, oh, you could fall on your dildo. I'm like, what? What are you on? What are you talking about, sir? All right, well, this is very interesting. ES is now up to the high of that kind of like 930, whatever you want to call it, open area. ES is lagging. The Nasdaq is not going anywhere. Interesting. I really truly would have thought that if the ES would have started pushing, the Nasdaq would at least get back to the 920s here. But yeah, there goes the ES 59s. Nasdaq still going absolutely nowhere. We need someone go tweet. Someone go tweet about the AI stocks. We need more AI. More AI pump. More AI pumpity pump. Oh, well, there we go. Now she's pumping. Look at something's happening. Guys, something is happening. I'm not sure what it is, but something is happening. That 900 level holding up there, finally breaking out to the upside. The bulls are in control again. Now we got to see, can they continue? Like I said, ES started pumping. I was very surprised that the Nasdaq did not start pumping earlier. But now, there she goes. Nasdaq is following the ES there. So, got to see how much more they can get. I would have to think that this is going to start to push maybe back up to try to make new highs again today. 30,000, not far away, but again, just kind of chopping here. Crazy price action. Still could not. We need a 5-minute candle to close above this 920 area. Look at that, right back down again. Huh. Patrick, it was a short, SRD said. What? SRD said, Patrick, it was a short. Are you sure it was a short? It went up, sir. It went up, sir. It went up, sir. Maybe it was a short. I don't know. Right back down again. Oh, my Lord. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this up. Look at this. Right back down. Fucking A. And right back to the 900s. It's going to be one of those days, chat. It's going to be one of those days. Wow. 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 And back down to the 900s once again. 29,900s. We cannot get away from it for now, so. Man. Man, oh man. Got a 15-minute candle closing here. There's that 15-minute candle close now. We had two big wicks on the top of those 15-minute candles. And got to see what they're going to do here now. NQ loves the 900s. This is true. NQ like 900. NQ loved 900 long time. NQ liked the 900 long time. Long time love. Long time love for NQ. Oh wow, right back up again, man. They are funny people today. These algorithms are being really funny today, chat. There's some really funny business going on here. I don't know what it is, but there's some funny business happening. These goddamn computers, man. The AI. The fucking AI. Fucking AI. All right, well, we are clearly just not gonna go anywhere for a while, so y'all got any funny stories to talk about? Y'all got any funny stories? Tell me a funny story, somebody. I need a funny story to talk. Tell me something funny. Tell me something funny here. I need a laugh. I need a laugh here. Anybody got a laugh for me? Tell me a funny story about something. Who's got plans? Who's doing what this weekend? Who's doing what? Were you invited to the Taylor Swift wedding? I was not, unfortunately. I thought I was gonna be. You know, I thought, you know, being the biggest and the largest, that they would have to invite me to their wedding, but they did not invite me. I'm very upset about that, actually. It just doesn't make sense. I thought, you know, I was like, hey, how are you gonna get married and not have the biggest and the largest there to watch? You know, let's be honest. How are you gonna do that? It just seems wrong. It seems like, you know, something's just not right. That'd be like getting married, you know, at McDonald's. It just don't make sense. But maybe it does. You know, sometimes, oh my God, dude, all right, guys, I figured out what to do here, guys. Are you ready for the simple idea of the day? If it goes to 900, get long. If it goes to 920, sell. If it goes to 920, short, and then cover, and then long, and then cover, and then buy, and then sell, and then buy, and then sell. If you would have done that all day long, you'd be rich right now. Absolutely rich. Look at this. Right back down again. Wowzers. Billy Trade Zone said, who cut your hair? Looks horrible. Hey, Billy Trade Zone. What do you look like? Let me see. Let's go look at this fucking guy. Oh, wow. Look at him. He's sucking a dick in his fucking profile pic. Billy Ramos. Yeah, God. Billy, look at you. Sucking the hookah dick. Sucking the hookah dick. Look at your hair. You fucking hookah dick sucker. You hookah dick sucker. God, tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay, Billy. Billy, tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay. All right? Tell me you're fucking gay without telling me you're gay. This right here, this haircut, you see this haircut, Billy? This is called efficiency. This is called being streamlined. This is called being a fucking alpha motherfucking, I'm a lion, I'm a tiger, I'm a bear. You know? I thought to myself, what am I gonna do? Go pay someone $100 to fuck up my hair? Or am I gonna fuck it up myself? You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about. You know, someone's like, hey, Patrick, you want to pay me $100 to fuck up your haircut? I said, no, I'm going to do it for free, okay? I'm going to do it for free. So sit down and enjoy the fucking show, boys. Oh, man. Still bouncing at the 900s. This is crazy work. Crazy work. Ranker and maker. Please don't use bad words. A lot of people are watching from home. What in the fuck are you talking about? Put on some fucking headphones, you retard. You motherfucking retard. Put on some headphones, man. Don't be letting your kids watch this show. Come on, man. People be like, Patrick, my kids are watching. Well, why the fuck are your kids watching? We're day trading. This ain't fucking Pokemon cards. These people, man, my kids are watching. Well, no, get the fucking, put your kids outside. Put your kids outside. Don't let your kids watch this show. Are you crazy? Are you fucking crazy? Can't be a good boy and use good words. Yeah, no, fuck you, rank maker. Get the fuck out of here. God. These people, man, they expect that it's a free show. I can do whatever the fuck I want. If I want to sit here and say fuck for 20 hours a day, I can. And no one's going to stop me. Oh, look at that, chat. Look at that. The NASDAQ bounced again from 900s. What do you think is going to happen next? Hey, what do you think is going to happen next, chat? Anybody got a guess? Anybody got a guess? What's going to happen next? I fucking wonder what's going to happen next. Pull back to fucking 900 again? Yeah, probably. Fuck. God. And 900 again. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Just do something. Well, let's push up to your 920s again. What are the chances that we break out? What are the fucking chances that we break out? What do you think, chat? What are the fucking chances? 0 chance? 100 chance? 5 million chance? 0 fucking chance. Would you just look at that? Right back down again. 920s. I hope you guys got short there, because clearly that was the play. Oh, my Lord. All right, we are going into this hourly candle close. I mean, maybe something happens in these next 5 minutes. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, we're just still inside that fucking last hourly candle, cannot move. What time is it? Oh my God, it's almost 11 o'clock already. Wow, time is really flying by so quickly, chat. I'm just having I'm having so much fun with you guys. I'm having so much fun with the chat right now. Oh my God, the time is flying by. People always ask me, Patrick, why do you do what you do? And I say, I love what I do. I just love it. I just absolutely love it. I just love it. It's so much fun to me. I just like going on the internet and just getting absolutely fucked every day. You know, I just love it. It's too much fun. It's just too much fun. Guys, think about it, right? Think about it. Like literally, I just get to go on the internet every day and just get fucked. It's great. It's so great. Why would everybody not want to do this job? Why would everybody not just want to go on the internet and just get fucked? I'm pretty much like a professional porn star. Me and the NASDAQ, we're making pornos every day. If you go and you watch my live stream every morning, you're going to see what happens when a full-grown man just gets fucking fucked. Oh, sometimes I will say, sometimes I do the fucking. You know, I won't lie. There are days where I'm pounding that booty hole. But other days, there's times where the NASDAQ's pounding my booty hole, you know? And I'll be honest, it does not feel good. Because the NASDAQ does not use lube. There's no lube in the NASDAQ, all right? It's just straight fucking raw dog party time, all right? You know what I mean? Yeah, true story. God, there we go. Look at that. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I never would have thought. Nobody would have ever thought. We got a fair value gap here, 920. Oh, never mind, it got filled. Right back down again. Motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. Oh, God. Right back down. Crazy work. What the fucking crazy work? Free the City Rooster said, my paycheck arrived and left so fast, I thought it was just checking in. Ooh, ouch. Your paycheck was just checking in? That's not good. Patrick, keep the conversation PG. Others are listening. MVP, turn your speakers off. This is an adult show. I cannot, guys. Guys, I apologize, I do, but I can't promise you that I'm not gonna say boner candles and getting fucked and I can't. This is a show, right? We're live. There's no editing. I can't control my Tourette's, all right? If your kids are listening, tell them to get the fuck out of the house. It's fucking 4th of July weekend. Go out and do something. Go get a fucking firework or something. Go do something. Go build a fucking tree fort. Why the fuck would you let your kids sit in the house right now anyway? Get them out of here. Get them out of here. Yeah, go set the fucking woods on fire. There you go. That's what we're talking about. BDH, baby. 4th of July. Go put an M80 in your hand and blow it up, okay? Go put an M80 in your hand and see what happens. These kids nowadays, they don't understand. Dude, when I was a kid, we used to do the most fucked up shit. I remember one time we had some fireworks, like little M80s and stuff. And dude, we would literally just like take a hammer and like smash them and like just most random weird shit when we were kids. I was a pyromaniac. When I was like 12 years old, dude, I lit everything on fire. I had a magnifying glass. I'd go out there and just like fucking melt stuff and burn stuff. How old are you, PW? 37, baby. Tocho said, what's with the loser haircut? Hey, Tocho, you're watching me, you fucking idiot. You're watching me, you fucking idiot. You are literally watching me on the internet. How am I a loser? You're a fucking loser. You fucking loser. God. Just people. What else did we do when we were... Yeah, we just did all kinds of fucking shit when we were kids. Well, because that was when CKY, that was when Jackass, that was when like Bam Margera. That was like... Growing up, we had really bad influence. Like being a kid, that was... I had a lot of bad influence. Jackass was terrible because we used to just like... When we were kids, we were like trying to be like, be like the Jackass show and do the most fucked up stuff. So, someone said it's still dark in Hawaii. I'll be in Hawaii next week. I'll be on Kona. We're fishing. We got a fishing tournament next week. So I'm excited for that. Going back to Hawaii. Hawaii. I like to party in Hawaii. Mr. Hawaii. Tape fireworks together. I mean, you do the bottle rocket wars. You guys do bottle rocket wars? Anybody do bottle rocket wars when you were a kid? Oh yeah, you fucking out in the woods shooting bottle rockets at each other. I had like a long PVC pipe, and you'd be like, light it, aim, fire. Oh yeah. Roman candle wars. Yeah, that was dangerous. We just did bottle rockets. Bottle rockets were a little safer. Water gun fight? No, that's gay. Somebody said water gun fight. No, that we're not talking about you and your gay boyfriend shooting your pistols at each other. That's not what we're talking about, sir. God, chat's always got to make it gay. PW, less talk, more trading, please. Well, you're gonna be banned for life. Thank you very much. Don't email Ginger either and be like, Patrick banned me. I'm so sorry. Please let me back in. Nope. You're out. You're out, son. You're out of here. PW, any big plans for BDH? Yeah, we got more streamers. I want to get more streamers at the BDH. That's the plan right now, at least. That's what we're trying to do. We'll see. Pellet gun, BB gun war. You know, the funniest was you had like the pump action and you would make it a thing. We're like, all right, everybody, only pump it once, right? Y'all remember that? You'd be like, you tell your friends like, hey, we're going to have a BB gun war, but you can only pump the gun once, right? Only once. And you know, every motherfucker over there like going like this, going, just pumping it up. Fucking 100 pumps. Yeah, always. Because then you get shot and you're like, how the fuck? How was that one pump? They're like, oh, a little extra pump. Yeah. Yeah. Pumped it 10 times, exactly. Water balloon fight? No, that's gay too. Man, this guy in the chat right now, he's talking about water balloon fights. No, we were way more degenerate than that. So we were not having water balloon fights. We were shooting each other with BB guns, fucking rocket launchers. Like, no, sir. There was no water balloons. It was just full-on madness. I mean, I grew up in the middle of nowhere, and there was nothing else to do but just, like, do stupid shit as a kid. Do you use the IB high and low, or just the orb? Mostly just the orb, to be honest. I mean, the market's not really open today, so this is just, like, we're just trading the algorithms that are just, I don't know what they're doing right now, to be honest. Somebody call the algorithm, ask them what the next play is. Are we going up or are we going down? Look at this, right back down, 900s again. So I guess we just got to wait for a breakout over 920 for a long, pretty much. That would be the smart play, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Fucking A. Crazy. Crazy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. PW, if you curse one more time, I'm gonna call ICT. Shit. Call that fucking retard. Tell him I said hi. He still owes me $500,000, by the way. He still owes me $500,000. Tell that fucking retarded asshole to send me my money. All right. PW, did you have a hard upbringing? I mean, I don't know about hard. Well, I mean, like, what do you consider hard upbringing? Is the question. Like, what's, you know, like, what? My dad worked full time. You know, he had his business. We didn't like. My dad worked. You know, we grew up in the country. I used to mow the grass a lot. That was pretty hard. We had like 5 acres, and I just had to mow the fucking grass all the time. My whole entire childhood was just mowing. All right, well, there's NASDAQ straight back down, 900s again. You gotta love it. Will she bounce again? 900s, possibly, maybe. I don't know. 29,900 now. Right down there to the bottom of the 15-minute range. There's no way it's gonna break 900, right? No way. Because the same way that it's not breaking 920, you got to think, well, it's not going to break 900, but maybe. Maybe. Hey, PW, where's my buddy Denny? I don't fucking know. He's probably playing with his puppies or some shit. Just doing Denny stuff. Denny just does Denny stuff, man. All right? Denny's doing Denny stuff. And would you look at that, right off the 900s again. So basically, here's the play, guys. Get long at 900, get short at 920. And just do that all day long. You're going to make $1 million. $1 million. You're such a sick fuck. I love it. God, well, dude, what? Relax, Alan. God, I got Alan in the chat calling me a sick fuck. Relax, Alan. Relax, okay? Don't get too excited. Free the City Rooster. The NASDAQ does not move on based on technicals. It moves on his emotions. This is true. Free City Rooster, let me know when you think you're starting to get scared about getting long, and that's when it goes long. La 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 la. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Right now, Tradeify is 40% off. They got the 5-pack bundle. That 5-pack bundle, you get 5 accounts, get an additional discount. You can load up on those 50K accounts. You can also buy multiple accounts and have them ready to go if you do blow your funded account. So the nice thing is you can actually activate the account the same day. So if you pass the account, you can then activate the account same day. So not only do you get to blow it up, you know, in one day, you can blow it up and you can buy an eval, you can get funded, and then blow it up all in the same exact day, right? That right there, my friends, that's called a good time, right? That's a good fucking time right there, if you know what I mean. Not only, you know, you get to buy 5 new accounts, you can pass them and blow them up all in the same exact day. You know? If you want to feel alive, I'm just saying you can feel alive. That's a good way to feel alive. I feel alive doing that. Nothing more fun than passing evals and then blowing them up same day. Right? It's like, that's some big brain thinking right there. People be like, Patrick, I have a hard time with making money trading. I'm like, don't worry, sir. Until you pass an account and blow it in the same day, you haven't really lived. Okay? You haven't really lived, okay? Well, as you can see here, NASDAQ again back down to the 900s, and we're stuck. We're going nowhere. So, put your hands in the air if you just don't care. It's a roller coaster. Better than blowing up trophy truck motors. Chuck Dempsey in the chat. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. The old guy figured out how to get on YouTube. We're in trouble, chat. We're in trouble. What the fuck? Dude, people are so insane. The videos on like Instagram now, just like all the AI videos and stuff, are so funny because people are just like, I see some people posting stuff. I'm like, you know that's an AI video, right? That's not even. It's not even possible. Oh my God, guys. This is not AI. Look at this video. Oh, like, look at this video. Oh my God, look at this guy. He gets caught. Oh, he down. Wow. I mean, shout out to America, but oh, he down. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Just got the tree right there. Oh, ouch. He down. I love how the best is the people in the crowd just like, they kind of just sit there watching and they're like, oh, was that part of the show? Was that part of the show? Was that part of the show? Was he trying to do that on purpose? All right, well, it is 11 o'clock in the morning here, and the NASDAQ has decided that it is going absolutely nowhere. $29,900 bouncing, but not going anywhere. ES got stuck at the highs, pulled back again. I mean, something's got to happen, right? At some point, I don't fucking know. Are they really going to just sit here for the rest of the day? Are we going to go lower? Are we going to go higher? I mean, I would think maybe we get one more dip down and then we push back up. I don't fucking know. Crazy work either way, man. And again, bouncing off a 900. It's crazy. It's crazy how tight it is. We saw something like this yesterday, right? I was trading the end of day yesterday, And look at this, the fucking 350 algorithm, right? Look at this going into the 350 algorithm. It was like how tight it was. I actually was long on this move yesterday. It was like wick, wick, wick. And look, from 449, that's a like 150 point move in a matter of minutes there. Pretty crazy. 350 algorithm, you gotta love it. So we gotta see. Well, there might be a good move coming. It's just the question of if we can get going here. I think if we break through 920, we should try to push through the opening range high area. Maybe up there, you know, towards the 30,000s possible. But I mean, the funny thing is this got a lot of time. You know, you got 2 hours. What is this? 3 hours still? No, 2 hours. 2 hours still, right? You got 2 hours still, so. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting much. That's for sure. We were not expecting much. It is a holiday, so, you know, you got to be obviously happy with what you can get. We had 2 or 3 good trades kind of earlier when we first started streaming, and then ever since, it's just been a chop city. But yeah, I mean, you definitely could have played just get long at 900 and sell for 10, 15 points. What is the 350 algorithm? Ooh, I would tell you, but I'd have to kill you. Sorry. It's a top secret. CIA told me that I cannot share information on the 350 algorithm. My house will get raided. The aliens. It was the weirdest thing, man. I got abducted by aliens. I got anally probed, and then the alien said 350, 350, 350, and then I just woke up. It was the weirdest thing, man. Weirdest fucking thing. I don't know what they were meaning, but they just, you know, they anally probed me, and then they looked in my eyes and said 350, 350, 350. So yeah. I'm still trying to figure out what that exactly means. 350. What is it? I don't know. I do not know. Man, yesterday was so weird. We had this bird. Look at this bird that we had come to the house yesterday. A fucking roadrunner. Dude, this thing was like, it was freaking me out. This thing was all, look at him. He was just chilling. He was just sitting there looking at me. I'm like, dude, get away from me. I got a fucking pet roadrunner. Look at this thing. I swear to God, he just came right up to me and like looking at me. He was like making noises and shit. I'm like, dude, what are you doing? What a funny little bird, right? I swear, he hung out for a fucking couple hours. He was literally just hanging out. Just walking around looking at me. I'm like, okay, cool. Where'd he go? Look, he was underneath there. It was scaring me. I'm like, dude's gonna get my toes. Dude's gonna try to get my toes. I've never seen a wild bird like do that. Crazy. It's like he was trying to talk to me or something. He's probably hungry. I mean, you think? Oh my God, guys, I don't know what to do here. We gotta stay patient. Something is gonna happen. I don't know what it is, but something's gonna happen. Yeah, probably people fed him. Yeah. Keep it, man. I'm gonna keep the bird. It's a wild bird. I don't want to keep it. I'm keeping that bird for my own personal indulgences. Keep my bird. Damn, we got all the boys in the chat. We got D Money. D Money got the day off. We got trades by Slade. We had Denny earlier. Man, y'all are living the good life. What's for dinner tonight, D Money? Where are you going for dinner? D Money likes them. He likes. I'm gonna see what he says. He likes them steakhouses. D Money's been going to them steakhouses every night. He went from eating Taco Bell to steakhouses. BDH life. Prime 112. No, I'm just kidding. But maybe. D-Money, what's your dinner? Olive Garden? Ruth Chris. I knew it. Look at that. I knew D-Money's going to Ruth Chris tonight. I fucking knew it. D-Money's a local there. He walks in and they go, Mr. D-Money, where would you like to sit at? Your normal seat? Your normal chair, sir? Mac and cheese and a Capri Sun. Hey, we still got to go to Olive Garden, D-Money. I talked to a guy at Olive Garden. I swear to God, I talked to a guy who works at Olive Garden. He said you're lying about the microwaves. He said D-Money's lying about the microwaves. All right, he's lying because I think D-Money, he getting paid by the competitor of Olive Garden to try to put Olive Garden out of work, out of business, you know? Yeah, true story. True story. I went to the, what do you call it? Who's that guy? Who'd I go? Where'd we go? Gordon Ramsay. Sorry, I don't know why that brain fart. We went to Gordon Ramsay's steakhouse when we were in Vegas, and I'm not gonna lie. Absolute dog shit. Absolute dog shit. I would have rather went to fucking Olive Garden. I'm not gonna lie. What? It wasn't dog shit? Yeah, it was. It was not good. Victoria said it was fine. Yeah, well, in my vocabulary, the word fine means dog shit. Okay, if someone says, oh man, the food was fine. You know, if someone says it's fine, well, that means it's not good, right? Like whoever says, oh, that food's fine, right? Like, come on. Come on. D-Money. D-Money. Hey, chat, you know what I was thinking? All right, chat, I got an idea. Y'all ready? Don't tell D-Money. It's a secret. Shh. He's listening, but he won't understand. What if we should book D... I think this would be the funniest fucking thing. I'm going to book D-Money a cruise, right? We're going to put D-Money on a cruise, and then we're going to hire an undercover cameraman to live stream D-Money from the cruise. I think it'd be funny. I think it'd be funny. He wouldn't even know. Don't tell him. Shh. But basically, we hire a cameraman to go on the cruise and film D-Money the whole time, live. We mic him up and everything. He'll never know. He'll never know there's a guy there. Gonna have D-Money on a cruise ship for 3 or 4 days and just do a 24-hour stream with D-Money on a cruise. I think it'd be funny as fuck. D-Money, are you in? D-Money, are you down for it won't be a gay cruise. We'll put you on a nice cruise. We'll put D-Money on the real nice cruise ship. Like a real nice one. Like get him in a penthouse. I think let's look it up. Let's look up some cruise ships. Let's look up nicest, most, I want a cruise ship penthouse for D-Money. We're gonna, put him on Norwegian or Crystal, which one's a good one? Not the Ritz-Carlton. No. We don't want, that's too nice. It's gotta be a little funny, you know? What's like I think Carnival. Is it Carnival or is it, no, what's the other one? I haven't been on a cruise in a minute. Royal Caribbean, yeah, no. Royal Caribbean, yeah. All right, this is what we're gonna put D-Money on. We're gonna put D-Money on the Royal Caribbean. All right, we're gonna put him on there. Let's see what we got. Find a cruise. 2026, 2027 cruise line. All right, we're gonna be leaving. Fuck no, ports. Let's say we're gonna go out of Miami. Or actually Fort Lauderdale could, no, I think, let me do Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale for D-Money. Oh my God. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Okay, apply. No, what? No, we're not cruising to Fort Lauderdale, you motherfucking retards. God damn it, I can't even book a cruise right now. Oh my God. All right. Leaving from, there we go. Leaving from Fort Lauderdale. All right. I don't care with the date. Let me just go, man. Where are you trying? Where are we gonna send D-Money to? Coco, 3-day. Wonder of the Seas. Is that the big one? Icon of the Seas. I think that's the big one, right? Jewel of the Sea, not good. Icon of the Seas. Is that the bigger one? Which one's the really big one? Wonder of the Seas? Icon is the biggest. All right, we're going Icon. That's a 7-night cruise. He can't be gone for 7 nights. No. Hold on. We doing a 3-nighter. We doing a 3-night. We're doing 3 nights, chat. He can't be gone for 7 days. All right, we'll see what we got. Let me see what we got. Ooh, D-Money, we're gonna get you the suite. It sleeps 9 people, D-Money. Perfect 3-night Bahamas perfect cruise. Continue to room selection here. All right, we choose your suite. Which one are we gonna get him? We're gonna get him the fucking Aqua. Look at this thing. Aqua Theater Suite. Large balcony, 2 bedrooms for D-Money. No, this is for D-Money only. We don't want to go. Look how sick this, dude. Look how big that fucker is. D-Money is gonna be on a fucking. He's gonna be on the biggest suite of the whole fucking boat. All right, D-Money. Look at this thing, dude. Look at D-Money. He's gonna be streaming live from the fucking penthouse. D-Money, look at this thing, man. Where's D-Money at? Where'd he go? Tell him to get back in here. I need him to say he's good with this. He's got his own private balcony with a pool and everything. Oh my God. Look at that. D-Money's gonna be eating good, boys. All right, D-Money, what do you think? We put you in the Aqua Theater Suite, large balcony, 2 bedrooms. All right, it's $7,000. The only stipulation is that a cameraman has to come with you and film everything live. If anybody asks what you're doing, you just say you're filming a video for your you know, what do you call it? For your family. All right, what's the date of this? When is this one leaving? When's this one leave? We got to figure out the dates now. Continue to add-ons. Oh, let's put some add-ons there. What should we put on for his add-on? D-Money, you want to eat at 8 o'clock or you want to eat at 8:30? Probably 8:30, right? We'll put you on the 8:30. Looks good. Review your cruise. Where's the date? Oh, November 6, 2026. Are you good for those dates? November 6, 2026, November 9th, D-Money's going on a cruise. We're going to live stream the whole thing. Drink package add-on. I think it gets the drink package. Where's the, you don't, I think you get the drink package with the suite, right? I don't know. It doesn't even have it on there. All right, we'll circle back to this in a minute. We'll circle back. D-Money's going on a cruise, guys. D-Money is going on a cruise. November 6th, November 9th, D-Money is going to go on a cruise and live stream the entire thing. It's going to be epic. Absolutely epic. All right, well, look at that. Guys, once again, NASDAQ stuck at the 920s. Who would have guessed? You could not make this up if you tried right now. Crazy work. Crazy work right now. Back down to the 900s once again. Crazy work. Crazy work. Fawn John's trading the 900 to 920 strategy. Don't tell anybody, Fawn John. It's a secret. Can't have anybody knowing about our strategy around here. You gotta buy 3 tickets. Don't forget about Jerome. Jerome ain't going on the cruise. He's banned. Jerome is banned from all cruises. I've already heard. He went on a cruise and tried to get freaky. Had a bunch of cocaine. Went in the hot tub, doing lines of coke in the hot tub on the cruise. Yeah, he got banned for life. He's not allowed to go on the cruise. RJ, he's down to film. We got RJ. RJ's gonna film and sing. He's gonna serenade the women for D-Money. That would be some shit right there. Imagine. We got RJ, he pops out He's like in the suite with D Money, and D Money's in there with a lady, and all of a sudden RJ pops out and starts singing some sultry music. La 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 la. D Money's gonna take care of you. D Money's gonna take care of you. He's gonna take care of you. Oh man, that would be something. RJ, you can only go if you sing. Only if you sing, RJ. Oh man, it'd be some funny shit. D Money's gonna take care of you. It'd be the funniest is we get like D Money's like on a date on the cruise, and he's like the whole time he's like, getting stuff for the girl. He's like, don't worry, I got this. I'll get this for you. You want a drink? Oh, don't worry, I'll get it for you. Put it on my tab. Oh, you want to eat dinner? Don't worry, I'll put it on my tab. I'll put it on. What is that? Put it on my tab. Put it on my tab. Is D Money streaming today? No, I don't think so. He's hanging out with his daughter today. I gave him the day off. I told him that it's better to take the day off than it is to trade this. I'm doing it for D Money. I do this. I am sacrificing my own mental brain power capacity for D Money. So remember that, chat. Next time you guys think that I'm an asshole, remember, I traded on Friday when the market was closed. I did it, okay? I did it. Don't forget that, all right? Nobody forget that. Oh my God, is it gonna dump here or pump? Down there to the 900s again, chat. Oh my Lord. It's gonna just bounce, right? Right? What do you think? Maybe? Someone said down we go finally. Watch that. Watch this. It's gonna pop right back up. I would honestly be very impressed if it did sell off here after just how many times we've bounced here. Struggling to bounce, maybe. Maybe not. Let's see. You got 2 minutes here on this 5-minute candle. We swipe the 900s. Will they bounce it back up here again? Someone said sell off coming. Okay. Go short then. Go short at the spot that we bounced at for the last 2 hours, Just go short then. Great idea, genius. Genius. Fucking genius. Oh my God, 29,900. More liquidity to the downside. What longs have the balls to hold this? Well, it's not, they don't have balls, they're computers, bro. They're not, this price action is not people sitting there buying this. This is just computers playing with everybody. You know that, right? Like, it has nothing to do with balls. There's no balls attached to computers. This is just holiday chop. Computer balls. Do computers have balls? Mouse balls. Mouse balls. I don't know. Maybe it does sell off. I don't fucking know. I don't know, man. We got 15 seconds here on this 5-minute candle. It has been just nothing but choppity chop here at this level. So maybe at 11:30, see what happens. What time is London close officially? 11:30? Some selling pressure coming in there, but this might just be a wick down. Let's see. Selling, selling, selling. Oh my Lord, will we dump? The 11:30 dump. London closed. Oh my God, liquidity is being taken. The liquidity! Straight down, 880s now. Good Lord. I mean, I think, ugh. I don't know. I'm almost tempted to go long here, right? Like, I mean, is this a longy donkey or what? I'm gonna try this long right here. I mean, I don't fucking know. Let's play this chop. Try to like add more if I can. Do, 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 do. Travis Walton said, why would anyone go long? I mean, I don't know, Travis. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. I mean, the 5-minute candle, look at this 5-minute candle. We just swiped all that and then kind of bouncing right back up. So maybe good, maybe bad. I don't know. I don't know. When are you going to go back to trading minis? Maybe never. I'm just going to trade micros forever, baby. Forever. Why are you trading today? I mean, I don't know. Why not? I have nothing else to do today. Just because it's a holiday don't mean I'm fucking not trying to make some money. PW, is Landon coming to the Ball Hall 1000? Maybe. You never know. Won't get back above the EMA. Maybe. Maybe. Got one more hour, an hour and a half of trading left. Yes. Got a sale right now on Tradeify, 40% off. Use that code PW. All right, right now there's a big wick here. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I don't really like. Everybody wants me to fucking, I don't know, give them all the answers. I don't have all the answers. If we can get back above 900, maybe, you know, maybe we get some push. Maybe. A little bit of trouble there. 29,900 area again. I like to see if we can possibly maybe get above that. I'm going to kind of hold these longs. My stop's going to be at the bottom of this candle, basically 880 area. And see if we don't push back up. If we don't, you know, it is what it is. I like that we have that wick on the bottom there, so... anything's possible. Yeah, so I mean, go long, go short. Someone's gonna be right. Someone's gonna be wrong. That's kind of how trading works. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. PO Trade says, I remember one of your videos that resonated with me, and I've been more patient ever since. It was the video you said every long and short are equally viable. It's a matter of entry and exit. Very true. Very true. I think people sometimes they get so caught up in this idea that like, oh, only my idea is the right one. Only I can be right. And then I mean, you right, you wrong. You're right but wrong. Right and wrong at the same time. I think the best plan, right? If you're a bear or if you're a bull, is being able to, you know, to understand the other side of the story, right? If you can figure out why someone is bullish and you can figure out why someone is bearish and you can understand both sides of the coin, you know, if you can kind of understand the idea that it might go up, it might go down, understanding both, you know, that's kind of the play, right? Because that's obviously, it's going to make you a better trader if you can understand why someone might be long, why someone might be short, and vice versa. So right now we are back up there to the 900s. Have fun. Like I said, kind of just, I want to see where this can push to. I might take take one off up here just to lock some in, and then see what happens from there. But right now, yeah, I mean, it's not really like words of wisdom. It's just, I think if you can understand the bullish and the bearish, because no matter what you do, if you look at a chart, there's always going to be someone bearish. There's always going to be someone bullish. Like no matter what setup is there, no matter what strategy, it's always going to be, you know, there's always going to be two different ideas. The same thing with like this right now, right? Like everybody was like, oh, it's a short, it's breaking the downside. Well, yeah, it broke the downside, but then it's like, why would people might be like, oh, why would it be a long? Well, it might be a long if we take out those lows and then push up. Like we're doing right now. So always two sides of the coin. Amen. I don't think there's ever, you know, a problem with it's not, I guess it's, you know, you can't go back in reverse. You can't go back in time. It's always hindsight, right? It's easy to look at this trade now and be like, wow, that was so smart to get long there. But if it would have dumped, everyone would have said, oh man, PW, you suck. It was a short. And I'm like, well, I mean, yeah, possibly. It's just not like, it's not, you know, cut and dry. Now the question is, will this 900 level turn into resistance and we start to chop around below it? Right? Will we chop around below it now? It was interesting, you know, right there at 11:30, how we got that kind of, that pop, or that, I guess, a drop. But now I got to see what happens here. 29,900. Just kind of riding this. I've got my stop pretty much at break even now. I might even look to add, like if this starts to turn into a bull flag here, right? Like there could be a long back above like 900s here again, but you have to get back above 900 here first. PW, what are the odds of getting above the high from earlier, 950s? I mean, there's no, I don't know. What are the odds? That's like, I don't know. What do you want me to, I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. "15-minute chart looks bearish," they said. Well, you think it looks bearish, but I look at it and I'm like, well, it looks kind of bullish in the sense that we kind of put that wick in there, but maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. All right, we're stopped out there from that long for now. See what happens next. Maybe we get down here below these lows and then pop back up. I don't fucking know. It kind of just squeezed all night long, and then now just kind of chopping around down here. I don't know. Try the shorts. We're below the 900 level here. Just chopping. ES is kind of pushing back up. NASDAQ's just kind of stuck here. All right, I'm going to try some shorts here. We're going to sell through there. Just let it pop right back up into my face here now. Perfect. 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 Is this real life? Is this real life, chat? Instantly pops back up. Instantly. Instantly popped back up. Short. Yeah, that was a terrible short, wasn't it? Oh my lord. Terrible short. Now we're long. This price action's killing me right now. I gotta get something. I need a pop here. Or a drop. Or a pop. Or a drop and a pop. This is just really bad price action. Alright, we're all in long after the short didn't work out. And now this is gonna pop back down. The chop is gonna get me here. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, this is terrible. Gambling, baby. Welcome to the fucking gamble of the day here. We like to gamble. I'm not tilting. We're trading micros. Relax, people. Relax. I'm just tired of looking at this shit not moving. And here we are. My original idea was long down here, and then started thinking maybe it was a short, but maybe I don't fucking know. Ugh. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Perfect. Perfect strategy here. Buy high, short low, a low high, go low, go short. Every strategy, perfect. Perfect strategy here. It's getting chopped up. Do I believe in trading journal? What would my trading journal would be a waste of fucking time. I would put in the journal, today I went in with 100 contracts and then it went back down. You know? It'd be a great strategy. Just chopping here again. I don't know. Out of that. All right, we're trying it all short here. It's going to dump. Nope, it's gonna pump. We're all long, gonna pump. How is this happening right now? Pump and dump. It's a guaranteed strategy. It works all the time. Just need more arrows on the chart. Got to be right eventually. Exactly. Can't be wrong the whole time. It's got to work out at some point. What is happening right now? Gotta love it. I'm moving the market right now. The market's gotta rebalance because I got so many contracts. Because I got so many contracts. What the fuck? Oh man, why did I don't know why I was even trying to get short down there. Market only goes up, chat. Only goes up. Somebody said, should trading journals be avoided? I was gonna purchase a membership. I mean, you're gonna pay to write in a journal? You're gonna pay to write in a journal? Like, what the fuck is that? What are you gonna do? You're gonna pay money to write in your journal that you're losing money? That sounds terrible. You know, that's kind of like, doesn't really make sense, you know? Like, I'm gonna pay to let people know that I'm losing money. Oh my God. Sometimes it goes up when you go pee, and other times it doesn't. We got about 10 minutes here until the 12 o'clock candle, so see what happens. Approaching power hour. Power hour! It's the hour of the power. It's a power hour. If you guys have not liked, if you've not hit the like button yet, help me blow it up. We got 980 likes here. I need more likes. I need more likes, chat, please. Hit the like button, please. 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 Isn't the market closed today? Wait, what? The market's closed today? You're just, what? What the fuck am I doing here? Oh, see y'all later. Just kidding. We're making money, baby. Futures are trading today. New York Stock Exchange is closed, but futures are trading. This is a private market session. No one's allowed to trade except for me, okay? It's me versus me. It's me versus me, okay? I'm the man. I'm the market maker now. I'm the market maker now. Oh my God. I'm the market maker now, you motherfuckers. All right, we got 2 minutes here on this 5-minute candle. Will we put in another lower high and then roll over again? Possibly. If we can start to get through 920s, I think end of day, we're maybe going for, you know, that high from earlier. But as of right now, we're just kind of stuck here. So we'll see what happens. We got one more hour, basically. One more fucking hour, man, to see what this market wants to do. It's been a very, very tight range. GTZ said, how's the lawsuit? Which lawsuit? I got so many lawsuits, it's hard to keep track. Which lawsuit are you talking about? Which lawsuit are you talking about, buddy boy? SNL skip, Pat the market maker. This could work. This could work. This could work. Richard Sanchez says, still downward. Hey, man, go short. I don't like, why are you telling me for? Why are you telling me? I'm long. What, like, what do you want to, why are you going to tell me that? Like, what do you know what I mean? Like, what do you want from me? What do you want me to say? Oh, you're right, Richard. Let me get out of this trade now. Let me just get out of the long because some guy named Richard in the chat said it's a short. Okay, Richard, you win. I lose. Sorry. The fuck? Can you not just support me, Richard? Can you not just say there's a possibility it might go up? Can you not just can you not just help me out? You know? Can you just help me, Richard? Come on, Richard. Why can't you just be nice, Richard? Why can't people just be nice? I'm literally in a short right now, and I'm in a long right now, and you're telling me that it's a short. Why? 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 Do. Needs to go up, man. Needs to go up. It needs to go up, man. It needs to go up, man. Fuck. Getting very tight here. Getting very fucking tight. Something big is going to happen. Something big is going to happen here, chat. I don't know what's going to happen, but something big is going to happen. It's big. Big, big, big. We got 3 minutes here until this hourly candle closes. If we look on the hourly chart now, what do we got? We got another big wick on the bottom there. Big wick on the bottom. Wick, wick, wick. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks. A lot of confusion. The market just doesn't know which way it wants to go. The bulls, the bears, everybody wants it to. Everybody wants something. You know, everybody in the chat either is a bull or they're a bear. You know, everybody's got their own fucking personal fucking desires that they're trying to put onto the world. You know, everyone's got their own personal fucking objectives, and nobody cares about me. And everybody's like, oh, it's a short, it's a short. Oh, what about my long, man? Why can't anybody in the chat ever be like, Patrick, it's gonna go up, you know? Why they always gotta be like negative? And whatever I do, it's always up. Nope, that's just not gonna work. Not gonna work, Patrick. It's not gonna work. Not gonna work, Patrick. It's not gonna work, Patrick. Not gonna work, Patrick. It's not gonna work. Fuck. God bless you. Hello from Russia. Let's go. We got supporters in Russia. I got supporters in Russia, people. What's up? What's the take profit? 920s. Maybe more. Market closes at 1 o'clock today, 1 o'clock Eastern. God damn it. Pulling back here again. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, chat. It's not gonna work. Not gonna work. It is not gonna work. Hey, God. PW, tell D Money that I challenge him to a basketball game. Whoever wins gets $5,000. I mean, what? You're just some random guy on the internet and you're going to challenge D Money to a basketball game for $5,000? Okay. Whatever. I mean, I'll tell him. I'll tell him. I'll let him know. Hey, D Money, some guy wants to challenge you for $5,000. Happy 4th of July. Hey, happy 4th of July. 250 fucking years, baby. America on top of the world. We be fucking the world. You know, we bent the world over and slapping that ass. We be slapping that ass. Everyone's our bitch. Welcome to America, baby. The biggest, the largest. Patrick, did you hear about Denny putting 27 contracts on, blowing 250K accounts? Yeah, I heard about it. I did hear about it. He's gonna get reprimanded for that. He's gonna get reprimanded. Hey, you can't be putting on max contract size and trading live in the BDH. You know, you're being a bad influence. Get him reprimanded. HR is gonna be having a call with Denny. Oh yeah, there's gonna be an HR phone call. Gonna be an HR phone call going down tomorrow on Saturday. Daddy, you can't be doing that, son. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. Where's my take profit? Guys, do you see the red fucking lines on the chart? That's my take profit. What are you talking about? Where's my take profit? I literally just said that. That's my take profit up there, 920s. Or more. I don't fucking know, man. PW, take my words. That girl is just after your money. The fuck? What girl? What girl are you talking about, Paris? Barris? What girl? Ginger? She works for me. She ain't after my money. What are you talking about? Oh, my girlfriend. Oh, she just after my money? Okay. Well, I mean, I guess it is what it is. I've never, you know what's funny is I've never understood, like, the people out there that think that, you know, there's this woman is only after Patrick because he's rich. I mean, what am I not supposed to ever have a woman just because I'm rich now? Like, because every woman's gonna be after my money? I mean, I don't. How do you live life when you're rich? Because every woman that you date, you know, people are gonna say that she's only after you for your money. So what do you do? You know, if I was gay and I had a boyfriend, would my boyfriend also be out for my money? You know, I'm just trying to figure out, like, at what point do I just, you know, do I ever be together with anybody? Is there anybody who's not out for my money? Even the chat just wants my money. You know, even the chat just wants my money. See? Date a rich woman. Yeah, no, I would. Here's my piece of advice on that. I'll give you all a piece of advice. I used to think, honestly, there was a point in my life where I thought that dating like a rich girl would be like a smart play, right? Like I thought like, oh, it'd be so cool to like, you know, marry a rich woman. Cause then, you know, you just could fucking, you know, live off fucking her basically. But what I've learned is it's not. Marrying a rich woman basically is gonna put you in a place where you're always going to be compared to her father, or you're always gonna be compared to whatever her family has done. You'll never be good enough. You know, like I have a buddy of mine. He married this rich girl, and he ended up taking her last name. And I was like, that's got to be the gayest thing I've ever seen in my life. So I don't know. I think marrying a rich girl is not as cool as it sounds to be. I've been there, right? I haven't married anybody, but I dated, you know, a girl whose family was rich, and it wasn't fun. You know, it was basically just like constantly being compared. You know, like they would always be like, Patrick, when are you gonna get a new job? You know, get a real job. And I'm like, what do you mean get a real job? They're like, yeah, you gotta get a real job, man. Stock Itch says what he did was pretend that he wasn't rich and had a normal car. He went through 4 gold diggers before he found someone not after his money and married her. I mean, that's one way. It would be very hard for me to pretend not to be rich. You know, like that's the problem. You know? Like I don't know how I could pretend to not be rich. You know? Like I don't really know how I could do that, to be honest. All right, well, NASDAQ right back down to the fucking 900s again. Oh my God. It's funny because obviously, you know, we knew it was going to be shitty price action, and then it's like we trade it, and then we sit here and we go, why is this happening? You gotta love it. You know, like it's kind of funny. That haircut is the start. Hey, Gary, I don't give a fuck. Wow, Gary's gone. You fucking idiot. I just don't understand why. Like, what? You're upset because I have a haircut? You're upset, Gary? Like, you're upset? Is it my haircut offends you? My haircut makes you mad. You got to comment. You know, I just don't get it. I don't understand it. Like, I don't understand these people. It's crazy. Like, I don't understand it. So it's crazy. I mean, I don't see I don't know why people be worried about me and like if I'm gonna, you know, a gold digger, because like I don't think anybody has any fucking clue how I actually live my life. You know, I know people see the internet and they think that they know everything about me, but like I don't fuck around, right? I'm on a very tight ship around here, right? Ain't nobody getting ain't nobody getting nothing over me. You know, ain't nobody getting nothing over me, man. I'm the fucking sharpest tool in the shed, okay? I'm on another fucking level of brain power here. My brain is working at a level that nobody's level can even fucking understand. I'm 25 steps ahead of everybody else. People think I'm getting gold digging, but I'm thinking I'm gold digging the gold digger. See? It's called brain power, chat. Brain power. It's crazy though. Honestly, I don't understand why so many people try to give me advice on life. You know? I truly don't understand it. I don't understand it. Do I look like someone who needs advice? Other than my haircut, okay? Forget about the haircut. Forget about the fucking haircut. But you know, I'm a millionaire, right? I have made millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. And if I would have listened to other people along the way, I would have only been a loser, right? Because everybody told me I couldn't do this. Everyone told me that I couldn't make millions of dollars on YouTube. Patrick, what do you know about day trading? No one's gonna watch your videos. Patrick, don't make a YouTube channel. You're annoying. Patrick, you suck. Patrick, you suck. You'll never be famous. You'll never make money. You'll never make money, Patrick. That's all they told me. When I first started doing YouTube, it was nothing but just like everybody telling me that I'll never make money. I can't make money. I'm never gonna make money. I'm never gonna make money. But like, it's like, what do you want? So at this point, now that I've made millions of dollars, I've made more money than 99.9% of the people on this planet. So why the fuck would I take advice from anybody else? Right? Like, why? You know what I mean? It don't make no sense. Like, why would I listen to anybody at this point? You know, like, why? But for what purpose? To lose? To be a loser? So you make more from YouTube or from trading? Oh, dude, I make so much more money from YouTube than trading. Trading's hard. YouTube's easy, right? YouTube's easy. Money trading's hard. You know? Oh God, NASDAQ right back down again. I don't fucking know, chat. It's over. Just put a fork in it. Go enjoy the weekend. This is just retarded at this point. Is there good money with YouTube? No, there's not good money with YouTube. I don't make any money from YouTube directly. I've showed you guys a million times. People never believe me, but like, I don't make any money from YouTube. Like, I will literally show you. I know people don't believe me, but like, I do have businesses. I do have, you know, other stuff going on in this world. I do people don't believe me, but I do other stuff, right? I do other stuff in my life, not just YouTube. Not just YouTube, okay? And then, by the way, we don't even monetize. There's no ads on the live stream. There are no ads on the live stream, right? So my total revenue since I started my YouTube channel in 2017, what is my total revenue? Do the math on this. How much is that? That's fucking almost 10 years. That's what, 40 grand a year? Yeah, I own part of fucking Victoria's, the Pilates studio. So, I mean, maybe she's a gold digger, but maybe I'm a gold digger. I don't know. So, yeah, this is exactly how much I make from YouTube. This is the monthly income from YouTube. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 3,000. Nothing. Pennies. Pennies. Absolute fucking pennies. I've made $20,000 from gifts. I need more gifts, chat. We need more gifts. Can I get more gifts? What are my expenses per month? I make my expenses per month, it's about $400,000 is what it costs for me to live. $400,000 a month is my expenses. You think that's high or you think that's low? Is that high or is that low? That's high? You think that's high? Shit. Well, I mean, that's, you know, that's payroll for my employees. That's like everything, right? That's like my whole entire business is $400,000 a month to run that. I mean, D-Money's making fucking 6 figures, baby. Denny's making 6 figures. Ginger's making close to 6 figures. I think she might be at 6 figures now. You know, I got a whole team of people. There we go. We got Skipper. Skipper bought 5 accounts from Tradeify. Thank you, Skipper. I needed that. Need some support here today. PW, will you get married anytime soon? If so, careful about divorce. Another brainiac in the chat. Another brainiac in the chat. But have you taken a lot of payouts over time? No, I don't. I've never gotten a payout before. I'm kind of like, I'm new to this whole I'm new to trading. I'm still learning how to get payouts. But don't worry, any day now, any fucking day, I'm gonna figure this shit out. You know, I'm still working on it. I'm still fucking working on it. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it. Yes, I will get the payouts one day. I'm gonna get the payouts. I'm gonna get a payout. 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 Don't forget, I was on the top of the Tradeify live leaderboard. I don't think anybody has beat my records yet. Total profit, $170,000 when I was live with Tradeify. I was also on the top leaderboard of Top Step last year. June 25, I got a $355,000 payout from Apex from one account. That was one account. This was also, I forget, I think this was on Funding Ticks. I was up 30,000. So, I mean, hey, you know, you can hate me, you can love me, but you can't deny me. I'm the biggest, I'm the largest, I'm doing it live, and that's all I can do, right? I mean, haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play, but that's all I got. I don't know, you know, I'm just trying to be better, man. I'm just trying to be better, you know? Trying to make a little bit of money here and there. That's all we can really do. NASDAQ pulling back here again, so it looks like it's going to be just more chop and maybe get stopped out here. I don't fucking know. What a terrible, terrible fucking bunch of bullshit. It sucks. Not really much I can do about it. Right back down, 895s again. So yeah, just kind of bleeding out here. Don't try to get long. If you do get long, just sell the pops and then fucking, I don't fucking know. Kept looking like I wanted to pop so many times, but clearly it don't, so whatever. We still got about 45 minutes here until the bell, until they close it down. They close the casino for the day. What will I do? I gotta go to the casino now. I gotta go to the casino. I gotta go to the fucking casino now. God damn it. Luckily, there's one right down the street. There's one right down the street, baby. Put it all on black. Or red. Maybe put it all in red. Red or black, chat. Red or black. Is most of your income from prop firms and trading per month? Mr. Mimic Maker, I mean, I got all kinds of stuff going on, man. I know, you know, hey, you do you, baby. I make money, you make money. It's all good. Don't have to worry about me. Put it on green. We're going fishing next week, actually. We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii next Wednesday. Going to Hawaii. We got a fishing tournament that we're going to go fishing. In Hawaii, me, Landon, Victoria, the whole team heading to Hawaii for a fishing tournament next week. So that'll be fun. And then what else we got going on? Going down to Mexico next Tuesday to go look at a house. Flying the helicopter down there. And then, yeah, just kind of the same old, same old. It's another day, another dollar. NASDAQ kind of trying to wick back up here again. Man, they are playing hard to get. Jimmy Rivera, you're in Kona? Oh, I'll be on Kona. We're going to be fishing right there out of the Kona Marina. We got a big fishing tournament. It's the Marlin, the Hawaiian Skins, I believe, Skins tournament. Yeah, buddy, Big Island, Kailua, Kona. I got a house right there in Kailua, Kona. Once you go black, you never go back. What are you talking about? What you talking about, sir? The fuck does that mean? Michael Harrison, what's your total net worth? I have no money. I'm poor. I've lost it all trading. I have $0. I've lost everything. Brett the Ish lived in Kona for 2 years. How do you like it? I like Kona. I lived on Oahu on the North Shore for 3 years, basically. How do you keep a funded account? I usually blow it the next day. Dreams Trader asked. Well, yeah, I normally blow it the next day too. So we're the same. Don't take advice from me. I would say honestly, the best thing to do is you know, make money and close it out as fast as possible. I think you pretty much like trading wise, you got like maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 good setups to like take per day. And then after that, you gotta just like, you gotta lock it out and walk away. You know, I think that's like the sweet spot, you know. Trading more than that, you just start getting to the point because where you start doing stupid shit. The you know, your brain can only like stay focused for so long, and then after that it ends up being a fuck fest, like right now, right? You try a spicy ahi poke bowl in Hawaii? Are you fucking serious? Bro, I lived in Hawaii. I was living. You know what I mean? I was eating poke bowls every fucking day. What you talking about? Did I try one? What the fuck do I look like? I look like some fucking Howley? I look like some fucking Howley? Bro, I be living off poke bowls. Oh my God. This NASDAQ. It just won't go anywhere. I'm never gonna trade a holiday again. I'm never doing it ever again. What a terrible idea this was. Why did I should have made D-Money trade today. D-Money's sitting there relaxing, just loving life, and I'm sitting here just absolutely hating my life. Absolutely hating my life right now. Why did I ever give D-Money any fucking time off? Shoots, brah. Oh yeah, brah. Where you stay? ABB? ABGG, where you stay at? Oh my God. Show us an old clip from Hawaii. Oh, you want to see an old clip from Hawaii? Oh yeah, baby. 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 Here's an old clip from Hawaii. Here's an old clip from Hawaii. This is my old setup. Look at this setup in here.
Waking up a little late today. We're gonna go
Oh
live.
my God. See, my hair was the same back then.
Some action.
Oh my God, it never changed.
3:30 in the morning.
I was fucking shredded. Look how skinny I was.
I woke up and I was just a little exhausted. Had a hard day yesterday, going hard in the paint. We're gonna go hard on. All right, so it's 7 o'clock.
God, look at that. Like, I was living in a shack. Crack shack.
The overall market's getting crushed right now. It's down 3.5%. The SPY getting sold. What is going on?
Oh my God.
And
dude,
yeah,
look how fucking jacked I was. Well, look at my arms, my shoulders. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what I lived in Hawaii. This is, dude, I do miss this view. Look how sick this fucking view is out here.
Got done. Finished.
You got the ocean over there. Oh, it was
up
epic.
The last video of the day talking about the market crashing. And well, we're gonna get ready to go to the.
This is all I did. I worked out every day. Workout. Oh my Lord. Yeah, I was jacked.
The water's leaking.
I was jacked, baby. Look at his arms. Oh my God, he's fucking jacked.
All right, so we gotta do 32.
Oh my God, dude, look at those arms. Look at those arms.
That's one.
This is what happens when you're single.
And that's 2.
Oh my God. Take my shirt off for all the ladies in the chat. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Look at me, boys. Oh. Oh. God, I gotta go to the bathroom to relieve myself. I gotta get to the bathroom to relieve myself. Looking so good. What did I do this day? I went to a hyperbaric chamber. Dude, I was crazy.
So
I was like a whole other level of crazy back then.
Cool. People that it takes like 40 sessions. So.
I don't even know what I was doing back then. I was doing some crazy stuff back then.
You know, focusing on. No, too much. I've got my PC.
I was doing too much crazy stuff back then. I was doing too much crazy stuff back then, man. Let's see. This is when I was like just moved to Hawaii. Look at the difference. This is when I just moved to Hawaii. Look how fat I was. Oh my God, I was fat back then. Oh my baby Jesus. I was fat and then I was strong.
I was mind
But I
blown
filmed
while
this video.
This drone clip is. I was mind blown while I was filming it, and in the entire Instagram world of at least the Instagram of surfing world, some of legendary surfers come out claiming that it was one of the best drone shows.
But yeah, this is what I used to do in Hawaii.
Foiling the ocean beach, becoming a Sunday.
The old truck.
We're back.
Dude, I shipped that truck from Florida to Hawaii.
Sweet.
It's still there,
Sunday
actually.
Cleaning.
This was so sick. Oh. We just got in foil. Look how epic this is. Good old days. Had a mountain bike. Went mountain biking. Hitting jumps. Oh. Whee!
So I just went up the trail.
Crazy. Yeah, we had fun. We did all the fun. Did all the stuff. What else?
Trailer's
I
a
see
little
some
sketchy
actual,
right
like,
now. I'm not gonna lie. I got some
shots of me
problems.
doing
I got some
something.
problems on there, but then I don't have the right thing, and then yeah.
That's Hawaii, Victoria, back in the day. Almost 2 years ago, me and Victoria in Hawaii. But yeah, you know, just out there living. Just out there living, man. I'm excited to get back to Kona. Catch some fish, baby.
Go.
This is what we're going to be doing next week, fishing in Hawaii.
Got 10 of them to give away, so let me. Yeah, we almost had a slam, but we needed a fucking spear that day. To weigh it today. Stripe, hours. Yeah, but.
It's pretty epic, fishing in Hawaii.
On the day.
You can see like how close you are to the fucking land. Fishing for marlin.
Fingers are crossed.
NASDAQ chopping around here at the 900s, going nowhere. It's story time.
24, and going to Patrick Wieland.
We ended up winning 2 tournaments last season in Hawaii, so I'm excited to go back and see if we can get another third. Get a third win, baby. Landon caught some blue marlin. Look at Landon. That's when he's little. Little guy. Little guy, Landon. Oh, this marlin. Wow. Ready to go live it up in Hawaii next week. This is what we're looking for. Big blue marlin, baby. Big blue marlin. Ah-wee!
Oh, it is. Almost
That's it. But yeah, market going absolutely nowhere here now. Market going nowhere. What we got? Is it going to be end of day sell-off here? We got about 30 minutes left. 30 minutes left here. 30-minute candle doesn't look bad. That last 30-minute candle kind of swiped all these lows. And right now, trying to hold here. Still at the 29,900 level. Just cannot get away from it for now. So it's been a fun day of just sitting there staring at the 900s. Are you streaming the fishing tournament? Probably not. Probably not. PW, what is your long-term goal with the BDH? I don't really have any long-term goal for the BDH, honestly. Just keep making money. Keep changing lives, keep making money, baby. Right now, I do want to, we're trying to get more streamers. I want to get a London streamer and possibly someone who can do a BDH stream in Spanish. A Spanish, so we're working on it. Mochi Donuts. Yeah, I've had the Mochi Donuts. Fawn John said he'll stream London. London. Yeah, I mean, everybody says they can do it, but the question is, can you do it? You know, that's the real question. Older guy traders. I mean, Denny's 30-something, or maybe 20. The D Money's pretty old. He's like 65. What does the BDH stand for? Big Dick House. Big Dick House. Dr. Robert said it's been watching me since the beginning. It's crazy to see where you came from and where you're at now. I mean, it's true. It's true. No, D Money is 65. Why y'all laughing? Wait. Why is the chat laughing right now? Y'all don't know that D Money's 65 years old? Black don't crack, man. He looks like he's 20. True story. What do we need to do to work for you? Fucking pay me $1 million. Pay me $1 million and we'll call it even. Oh my God, this is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. You know what's funny is I swear to God, if I wasn't trading right now, this market would be just like moving. Anytime I don't trade the holiday, the market is beautiful. It moves. It's awesome. And then the day that I decide to trade the holiday, it goes absolutely nowhere. You gotta love it, honestly. It's comedy. Chat, it's comedy. If you want to see something funny, just look at this market right now. It's comedy. Look at that. Comedy. Fucking comedy. When you're ready to do the stream in Spanish, let me know. All right. Why do ducks have feathers? I don't know, Sam. Why? To cover up their butt quacks. Damn. It's pretty fun. PW, if you could drive only one car for the rest of your life, which one would it be? I mean, honestly, if I could only drive one car for the rest of my life, it'd probably be a fucking Raptor, right? I mean, it's hard to beat the Raptor. You get you have a truck, it goes fast, it looks cool. I'd say probably, yeah, no, you can't really. If I had to choose one car for the rest of my life, I'd say Raptor. Right? I mean, I don't know. Probably Raptor. Nemo Rose says, I got a good question for you. Well, let me hear it. Alexis Rendon said, his girlfriend got pregnant and she asked him, do you care what the gender will be? Guess what he said? Nemo Rose, what does that mean? What? Nemo Rose says, if you could only have your material things or you could only have your experiences, which would you keep? That's not even a logical question. I mean, it's not like, how do you answer that? Oh, I will only take my experiences. I mean, the experiences come from the material things, and the experiences are kind of hand in hand. So it's kind of, you can't really choose one or the other, you know? Someone in the chat said, L7 probably not the best hire. Why? He speaks Spanglish, he's an ex-convict, he's an engineer, a business director, and currently living out of his rental properties in Mexico. You don't think he's qualified to be a day trader at the BDH? Spending time in Baja, tell me a sentence in Spanish. Muy poquito. Poquito español. No, muy poquito. Muy poquito. I'm terrible at Spanish, to be honest. It might be because all the people around me speak Spanish, so I just let everyone else speak. Like my filmer, Colin, I just kind of yell at him. I'm like, speak Spanish. Do the Spanish translation, so I don't have to. Did you know that Albert Einstein married his cousin? Uh-oh. This has got to be some kind of joke here. I didn't know that. Patrick, come to the Azores. Going there for 5 weeks. Okay, I'll be there. I'm going to the Azores. Someone says they're short. Yeah, might be. We'll see what happens. We're going to pray for props. He said he's short right now. Uh-oh. 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 Let's see what happens. Where's your stop at? Where's your stop at? Props. The attraction is stronger with the DNA connection. Is that's the joke about the Einstein thing? Okay. Makes sense. Alexis said he just stopped trading an hour ago, just woke up from a nap. Well, guess what, Alexis? You have not missed anything. You have not missed anything at all. Not one bit. You have not missed one fucking thing. Are you from Alabama? No. La 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 la. Poacher D. Hegeson, what are you on about? This guy in the chat's talking about the conspiracy theory that the prop firms are trading against the traders. Let me tell you the truth. I'll tell you guys the real truth. Can I tell you the truth? Because I know the truth about this kind of stuff. Because with Warbucks, like, I will tell you the fucking truth here. Prop firms don't need to do anything. They don't need to trade against you. They don't need to rig anything. They don't need to, like, do anything. People are going to lose money with or without any type of influence. So people who think that the market is rigged or the prop firms are rigged or anything like that, like, they don't need to. You don't. I see the stats. Like, you don't. You look at some people's trading and you're like, yeah, no, we don't need to do anything because that guy is never gonna make. You know what I mean? Like, there is no like, there's nothing. There is no reason to do anything because traders themselves will do everything they need to. And I say that, like, just to be honest, because I think a lot of people think, like, oh, the prop firms are it's rigged. They're giving me the wrong data. Oh, they're doing this or doing that. No, it's you. You're just losing money on yourself. It's they don't have to do anything. So yeah, the market is going to get you. It don't need to do nothing. The stats are amazing. That's the truth. PW sounds sponsored. I mean, I'm not sponsored. Well, I guess I am sponsored. But I mean, that's the truth at the end of the day. People are going to lose money with or without any type of do prop firms trade the market? No, zero. The prop firms do not trade against you. First off, you're trading in a simulated account. So, like, it's not like there's nothing they can do to stop. You know what I mean? Like, they're not taking your liquidity. They're not running your stops or anything like that. There is zero reason for any prop firm to try to fuck you because the market is going to fuck you without any type of influence from the prop firms. I'm telling you that's the truth. I run Warbucks. I see the numbers. Like, I know exactly who loses and how they lose, and it's has nothing to do with the market being rigged. Zero reason for anyone to rig. Oh my God, is it gonna happen? Are we gonna get filled? Oh, we got filled a little bit. I've been in this long for the last fucking hour, basically. Oh my God. Probably a good idea to take profit here, but hey, why not? Let it ride, Oh my God. I gotta take off some fucking profit here. It won't go any higher if I don't take some profit here, so. Oh my God. Not again. Come on, NASDAQ. Not again. Not again, NASDAQ. Don't do this again. God. Stuck at the 920s again. Again. We can't even get to the fucking 920s anymore. Break through these fucking highs here. Come on. Patrick, if you only had $2,000, what would you do? I'd go fucking find out. I'd figure out how to make another $2,000 really quickly. You know, that's what I would do. I would figure out how to make more money. Yeah, I mean, if you have $2,000, like that's all you got, I would go get a job. I would work. You know, I would work a lot. I would not day trade. I would try to work. I'd work 3 jobs until you got to the point where you have, you know, $20,000 kind of saved up. You know, that's what I would do personally. But I mean, the answer is very simple. People always want to go, Patrick, what if I don't have any money? What am I going to do? Go to work. Go work. Go do work. Like that's the simplest way to make money is to just go work, right? Like, what else can I really say? Patrick, I only have $2,000. What should I do? Go work? Go get a job? I don't know. Like, work? Figure out a way to make money? I mean, there's a lot of ways to make money. You don't have to day trade to only make money. I think people like, I don't know. It's the weirdest thing sometimes. Just go to work, man. PW, what does it typically cost to start a prop firm from scratch? I don't know. It depends on the way you do it. It doesn't cost a lot of money, that's for sure. The problem is you need capital to do the payouts, because when you first start a prop firm, you don't really have any capital, and it takes time to like build up a book. You know, you got to like get customers and clients, and it takes time. Poacher D. Heggeson said he's gonna expose the prop firms. I mean, I just told you that there's nothing to expose, sir. Like, there's literally nothing to expose. Like, the prop firms are not betting against you. They just know that you're gonna lose no matter what. There's no, like, they don't need to rig it. They don't need to fuck you. They don't need to do anything because they know you're gonna lose money. Right? I mean, it's just 99% of traders lose money. The odds are in their favor. How do they know that? How do they know you're gonna lose money? Because they know you're gonna lose money. Poacher Heggeson, how much money have you made trading? Like, how much money have you made trading? Ask, like, just like being honest. They know you're gonna lose, and the reason that you're even here asking about the conspiracy theory just means that you're gonna lose. Eric Trade, what's something you've changed your mind about in the last few years that completely changed your life? I don't think I have had any major breakthroughs in the last few years, honestly. I mean, it's like going to casino, right? People go to the casino, they think they have an edge, and at the end of the day, the casino is going to win, right? They're going to win over and over and over. The odds are just not in your favor. That's all it is. All right, I'm taking more off here because we just have not got, I don't want this thing to reverse on me back from the 920s. We got a big position here, so I'll take it. There's a seller right now here at the 23, 25 area, but we got to see if we can push through here. I'm just kind of keep trimming this. Keep trimming, baby. Well, I mean, the theory was that we would hold 900 and go higher, and I mean, that we did. That we did. That we did. All right, we got the last 15-minute candle of the day here forming now, so. Got a fair value gap there at the 911s. Pulled right back into that fair value gap. Classic. Nasty NASDAQ. Do you have any long-term plans? 1 to 3 years. What are you looking to do more? Well, we're doing the desert racing. I want to go win more races, building a bigger team. Probably get to the point where we're trying to monetize some of that, obviously, with products or experiences or some kind of way to make money off of that. So, what's one habit that has had the biggest positive effect on your life? You got, I don't know. I don't know. Have I been watching the World Cup? Not really. Motherfuckers just cannot get through here. I'm not gonna deal with this shit right now. Poacher Hegeson goes, I'm not perfect, but he says he doesn't suck at trading. Bro, you're sitting here talking about how the prop firms are trying to, there's a conspiracy to fuck you. What are you talking? How are you good at trading? How much money are you making? I like when people be like, I'm good at trading. I'm like, oh, really? They're like, yeah, well, I've never gotten a payout. You know, I've never gotten a payout, but I'm good at it. I'm good at trading. Do I do all these decisions on your own, or do you have a bigger financial help? I wish. I have no financial help. It's just me. All my crazy ideas, there's zero financial feasibility about it, right? When I first started the BDH, everybody was like, you're gonna get a warehouse and you're gonna trade out of a warehouse? Like, people didn't even understand it. They're like, how's that gonna work? You know? How's that gonna work? And I'm like, well, I mean, good. Would you say you were able to make a living at trading, PW, or was it only things that you're involved in and able to crush it? I mean, Charles, right. I guess it really just comes down to how much money you want to make. Could I make $10,000 a month trading? Only trading? I think so. You know, I believe that. All right, well, look at that. Motherfuckers, dude. Right from the 920s again. God motherfucking damn it. These motherfuckers. It's crazy work. Crazy work. Right back down again, so. I mean, I've traded in my live account, you know, and people be like, but how would you ever be able to make any money? I mean, if you look this year, I made 100,000 in the live account, but I haven't traded in the last few months in this account, but this is all in basically January. So I made 100,000 in January, basically. So, I mean, I don't know. Could I survive off of making $100,000 trading? Probably. I couldn't live the way that I live, but I think I could survive. I think I could pay the bill, like pay basic bills, you know, like life bills. So right back to the 900s again. Crazy work. Crazy work. The range continues. See what happens here at 1250 now. All the way back down there again. Crazy. Got a minute here till this, well, there you go. Well, there it is. I would say that's it. It's over. I don't expect anything else to happen unless we start to like dump through here, but I doubt it. I doubt it. So. Well, if you guys, hopefully you enjoy just the comedy of today. Maybe not the trading, but the comedy was there. 29,900 is holding up there. Market is absolutely stuck. So, big thank you guys for tuning in on this very, very slow, boring day of action. I wish it was better. I do. But, well, we'll see what happens. Someone said might go for VWAP. VWAP, 200 points lower in the next 10 minutes, you think? That seems a little crazy, but maybe, I don't know. $900s, baby. Straight back down. I'm gonna get out of here. I got me and Landon are gonna go four-wheeling. We got a new side-by-side we're gonna take out for a little cruise today. Go enjoy the holidays. We got 4th of July this weekend, obviously, in America. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, go ahead and blow it up. We'll be back next week. Better prices, better action. Today, obviously, the market just going nowhere. It's one of those days, just a day to stay alive. I would say, you know, normally just don't trade this type of bullshit, but, you know, we're doing it for fun, for shits and giggles. And right now, the NASDAQ just stopped chopping around here, 29,900. So there it is. Right now, Tradeify, 40% off, no activation fee. They got the 5-pack bundle as well. That's Take Profit Trader, but we do have the Tradeify deal going on as well. 40% off. And don't forget, Warbucks right now, 50% off at Warbucks. WarbucksBTC.com, the biggest, the largest, the greatest, the biggest, the largest. We go. So there it is. I will see you guys next week, Monday. We're doing it live. We got D-Money, we got Denny, we got all the action. And we'll see you then. Hopefully the market can be a little bit better. I bet it will be. If I was a betting man, I would bet that Monday should be fun. After the weekend, after a long weekend, we'll see what happens. Happy 4th of July. America, baby. 250, baby. America. Fuck yeah. You know what I mean? Fuck yeah. There it is. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.